Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of my mind, it comes a win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
A blessings and respect to all massive and crew and sitting. Welcome to the Mixup An Blenda sitting. Large up for the self people. Class time, you know. It's all about the University of Mixnopology. Big up Queen Bee for that thought then. Mixnopology. The University of Mixnopology. That's how we think said. All of the Mixup students, them on already. All of the Mixup people, them on already. Yo, get the fabulous people in a Jamaica on already. Boa Banks crew on already. I open already in a large up on itself. I'm St. Thomas on already. Portland no zone already. Large up on itself. St. Mary, Rockabessa, Gale and all them ends the bong bang sit the mile gully where my mama come from. Large up on itself indeed. And think Pump Old Family Retirement and all them place. The Orchards and I don't know Alexandria and think St. Anne, St. Mary. And think all the way over to Chilani. Country Girl and the Dunkley and Massive Duncan family, Bong Bang, sit man, everything is everything. Falmouth people large up on themselves. Man, think of an island, St. James, everything goes some man large up. Savlamar and the whole of Westmoreland, Bong Bang, sit in Granville and all them ends there. St. Elizabeth, you know, Pepsi. Yeah, I'm a link for life. Them if you understand that Crawford, St. Elizabeth, Black River, Malvern, and all them ends there. Pepper, St. Elizabeth, down a junction there and everywhere. Coming all across, you know, the man over here, I don't know, and the Manchester people, them Christiana and everybody, large up on themselves, crisscross country and thing. Clarendon, massive toll gate, large up Maypen, large up, you see it. Everything is everything. Here's a Lionel Town, because my ears lady them. I'm a Lionel Town ladies, them out there. Spanish Town, large up on themselves, Mama Khan, on the Nally for Raga, Nally for now. Portmore for sure, everything is everything. Greater Portmore, old school, Portmore, large up on themselves. Big up Southborough, what me call Southbury, where Emily come from and thing. Everybody member from Shah. Do so. Big up my brethren, Indian, Kenneth. Them call him Sucky over there in the Portsmouth thing. We don't know it's a little heat reaching over there. We don't know everything is everything. And I just go on while I strength see him in the Portsmouth. Everything is everything. Big up Kartel and the Gaza family, them from over there saying, large up Mavado and the Gully family up in a cassava piece, papa piece, and all them ends of scene, Whitehall family, boom bang, sitting, everything is everything. Anything off a Continent Spring, large up on the side. But Southside people, them never will leave out. Never will I left for the out. Never will I left for the out. Large up on itself indeed. Gold Street, Ayuban Street, Fleet Street, Last Street, Barry Street, all on the large up on itself, Tel Aviv family, Dusa, Rumley and all them ends there. Wildman Street, Hanover Street, and them place the East Street, you don't know what the thing said. You see, big up all of my spoilers, linky, them and thing, teacher laws, everything is everything, a foundation thing from Calabar, all age days. Get how we said. Smith Lane and James Street, and if you know, listen to road, and think Jamrock family up there, so to come from. See, big up the Gully crew around there, so, because they don't know so certain things that we used to run through Gully. Big up the school, them in that area, and all the Trinity, and think all the family and all them, and the Casey and Georges. Everything is everything. Anything off of South Camp Road. Large up. Big up back of God. Large up on the South Road. That's a real town and thing. Dunkirk in the building, man. Mama shot Dunkirk yesterday. Mama
global. She global body.
Mama thing global, you know. Mama talk up on the TV and be a things. Tambourine for Mama. Mama, I'm a friend. I thought me say, Mama, I'm a friend. And do me not take back them thoughts. Mama large up yourself because you're afraid of people. You talk up, forget the people. And I saw the thing said, no enough more people step out and talk up, forget the people. Some people, I said, I'm be a lip service. I'm not changing, not really making I get to like them take people for fool and think. I run and tell me must do some uplifting. What the backside them I do? What the evidence they for where them I do? And think like them take people for idiot. Like time them I live big life and I be a sitting and go on for them.
Hey.
Yeah.
You have to big up Patsy because she do your bad.
No, Patsy done
Patsy
there a while ago.
hard, yeah.
No,
yeah, Patsy hard. Patsy, anyway you come from, big up yourself. Yeah.
No, more Patsy. Hey, more Patsy do a cuss out with somebody. No, we have to have, you know, we're going to have a competition. Anybody can beat Patsy. That we give them a prize or them shell down or something. You understand?
Yeah.
Because dirty Patsy mouth light, me nah like.
For real.
And you know, so the one Super J sit down there and do the defend the thing for me. You understand?
Between me
no,
and
my vex.
No, man.
I think Super J now move right.
Him can't talk too loud, you know what I mean?
No, because Patsy, we don't need to, you know.
She do a little
Patsy,
thing on the side, but I never me tell you. Yeah. Me ear.
What? Patsy, I do a look at it.
Shh.
Hold on. Patsy and Super J do the things, eh? Yes, you never see smoke without fire.
I'm going to tell you.
You never
you watch
see
them
smoke
walk out
without...
of the studio. And them say,
you never see smoke without... Patsy and Super J.
What? Hand in hand.
Oh,
yeah.
Jesus, see them. See it there. Anyway, still, it's all about a love it every Wednesday right here upon the Mixup and Blenda show with me, the host. My name is Ragashanti, the principal, the king of Mixup indeed. Large percent Emily in the building. Big up the big bad producer. Rotate that. Tambourine for rotate. Tambourine for rotate.
And she's rocking her nationwide blazer.
Man. Wait, did you say blazer?
Yeah.
Then, all right. Big up Jeremy and King in the building and thing and whatever. Big up DJ Chris Cross. Don't say nothing. Big up DJ Chris Cross. Large up for the say everything is everything. It's all about I love it every Wednesday and thing. We're going to listen to some tune right here now. Some love it every softy and thing. And what they have to do with look sitting in. How we say Mixup entertainment. The motto is laugh, learn, and grow. And I don't know. When I feel strong in a Jamaica, so a thick skin and broad back can do it. You understand? When I feel turn up strong when pressure reach, you know. You understand? All of the successful people me know in a life. Everybody who me know me can say that is a successful person. None of them get it easy. All of them go through some challenges. All of them have to overcome a myriad of obstacles and things. So all I know want to do well in life and I want to struggle and fight feet. When Dottie Nigga takes it pound them, you're being naive.
Hey, and
it not work so.
Oh, you have to left out for big up the people them waiting at the snow and you just warm them up every day.
No, don't you never see me make a post. John, I'm feeling for them because the winter
man.
I'm mad.
Yeah.
The winter I'm mad. Pana. Yeah, man, big up all our international listeners.
You know what I mean?
Particularly the one them where the snow clot up.
Yeah,
hey,
man.
and not this when the cold bus then shut. I miss Jamaica. We wish me the day at Jamaica now. And as soon as it warm up back, very nice. Let's go to Central Park. But right, you know, them I say Jamaica, man. But there's a trend in the United States. You know, anytime them get vicious winters,
yeah.
Later on down in the year, a lot of people are migrating to the south.
That's not true.
Anytime them get vicious winter, yeah, let's have a set of people say, yo, me can't bother with it, yeah, me can't bother with it. Me can't bother with it, me a good home, so. Oh, I fly so like them are the bird, like them are the goose, them. You understand? But everything is everything. Pregnancy mix up with the past team. I know, so looking from this is all about the phone lines and thing. But, you know, before that, it's a love it every Wednesday, people. So make we listen to some music. Well, on, big up my enemies, them where I listen. Big up my enemies, them where I listen and I tape the show and be a things. Big up the dirty people, them wanna like me and I listen. May God bless you not to become as somebody pick me, but when I step to me, I step back to me and thing. I want to make life interesting. Woo! All right, play some music, you know. Play some music. Okay, it's about 14 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for us to move to...
Something. Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you wonder and say, anything really can go so? Oh, just left out the Poopa Jesus. And it's always interesting when we go on outside broadcast and we hear the people them say the thing word for word. Poopa Jesus, anything can go so. You know what? Woman left paralyzed by love bite. Woman left paralyzed by love bite. I mix up sitting in, so I can read it now. This is in New Zealand. A woman was temporarily partially paralyzed by a love bite on her neck from her amorous partner, doctors reported in the New Zealand Medical Journal. The 44-year-old New Zealand woman went to the emergency department of Middlemore Hospital last year after experiencing loss of movement in her left arm while watching television. Doctors concluded the woman had suffered a mild stroke, but were puzzled about it, because until they found a small vertical bruise on her neck, a love bite or icky near a major artery. She had received the love bite a few days earlier. Because it was a love bite, there would be a lot of suction, said Teddy Wu, one of the doctors who treated her. Because of the physical trauma, it had made a bit of bruising inside the vessel. There was a clot in the artery underneath where the hickey was. Dr. Wu says the clot dislodged and traveled to the woman's heart, where it caused a minor stroke that led to the loss of movement. We looked around the medical literature, and that example of having a love bite causing something like that hasn't been described before, he said. The medics said the woman recovered after being treated with an anticoagulant. Well, big up Yardas to send that out and sit. Big up Yardas to send that out and think. All of the Yardas good as you see it. Glamour Evil and the whole massive over the Rosemary and Leneesha and the whole crew. Large person. Yo, that can't you believe it, yeah. But we put it in a pot because you don't know our style at, yeah? Basically, the woman and her man do the things, and the man goes, bam! And I touch that sensitive area there, you know, where that area there was sensitive enough away. The neck. You understand? And I kiss up the neck and be a thing and I put on it and sitting and while the brother put on the icky pan, I must put it on hard. I know some people when them move to your neck, then go like them a vampire, just want to suck with your neck so. You understand? So I put on the icky hard, and when he met the icky, he met the blood clot under, where the icky there. So the blood, you don't know what the clotting of the blood is. It pile up and get hard and things. So the blood get hard right there, so, and getting a little ball. But what happens is that blood still a flow through the veins. And the hardening of the blood right there, so where the icky there, the blood run now and go down to the heart. The clot there, the clotting of the blood run go down to the heart. And then when it reach to human heart, it give her a stroke and paralyze up her body and sickness. And the doctors are saying that they're unaware of any documented instance of a phenomenon such as this that they observed in this woman who came to them for treatment, this 44-year-old New Zealand woman. So again, people, somebody can give a serious icky will clot the blood in your neck, and then the clot they can run go down. I don't know if it can go to your brain too, or go to your heart or wherever, and go cause all kind of problem. Whenever, sometimes you don't even want to read all them something and learn, because next thing you know, you do the things and somebody I give you a proper icky numb, and you're used to the person that go hard by your neck. Baps, you go remember this and start push them way. Baps, them go think say you give them bun. No. No. Hey, Emily.
No.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Somebody go listen to this now and go say, boy, I don't want the blood go clot, and him or she love give a hard icky, you understand? Mm-hmm. And then now, when them start go hard for your neck, now you go ease them off. And then them go say, no, but wait. So wait, I want to get up on your neck, you know what nobody say keep on your neck, you give me bun, and them start make assumptions, you understand?
What you say, you must say an Edward.
A what?
An Edward.
What is
From
an Edward?
Twilight. You're so late. The vampy dude.
Oh, okay. Oh, Lord God. Oh, we're going there, Michelle.
Because he's a vampire.
Oh, we got Iki, we are talking about. We are talking about clotting of the blood. Vampires suck blood. They don't clot blood. They suck blood. Vampires suck blood. You understand? We know that is so. Okay. But the thing about it, that's why I'm saying,
Yeah.
you know, the saying ignorance is bliss. Cliche. But me know nobody now go listen to this. And know this. And hear. And then in a position where somebody and yam off them neck and I say, yo, he's up, man. I kill you and kill me.
Don't.
I kill you
And then you know Jamaicans are them say hickey, you know, man, a fashion, you know.
Yeah.
When you see that, I mean the one who
yo, you know say no, but you know say that's true.
True.
And when you're in a high school, hey, one time we catch one boy and make him sister put her icky on the neck to come show after, you know. Nastiness. And the sister up like PM sister and sister go down there in the Calabar. And PM sister tell her to put her to icky same can come in at the school come hype away. Nastiness. But big and serious. You know what say? Me don't ever too like walk with icky right, you know. One time it was fun.
Yeah.
But for me, when me have icky, I be a drama. It's just all when me did a teacher you with.
Yeah.
Me don't dare go school with a icky man. Not learn that class. not learn everything depending on just a laugh and I keep up one bit of foolishness and whatever. And anyway you go, that are the subject. You go in and bang for pay your bill, them a chat about the icky.
And no matter where they hey, and for sure, cause you know fastness in our nature, we are Jamaican and Southern. But no matter where they the hickey are talking at you, man.
See what I tell you? Where the hell?
No.
You know what? It look
You're
like
good, man. You're good.
No, I know I'm good, but it look like I need to take a break and make them play. Okay, people, there
Seem like you need a hickey.
Okay, that was the last straw right there. Strange type of thing where a Jamaican go into a Jamaican doctor, and the doctor, based on their brilliance and their creativity, they're able to figure out something unusual. That me never hear that happen in Jamaica.
Never. Boy.
It probably happened, I don't know, but just say
it has yet to be documented.
Probably it happened and it just, kind of the US, them document everything and put everything
exactly,
in the
and we would just, everything
we would just talk
just
about
easy.
it.
Not move with certain way.
We maintain our oral tradition. We just tell the story and drop the mix.
Yeah, cause we're not frightened.
No. What is a little bit troubling about it is that that investigative nature of some doctors, I don't really see that here in Jamaica.
Oh.
Not really there Jamaica. Them doctor just treat you and send you a quick doctor now.
Your prescription.
Yeah, all this. See your paper, yeah. Move to a pharmacy. Next. You understand? They not really. The whole issue they come up when they're in the parliament here and them go abroad. I go doctor and whatever, and people I say, yo, if that's right and whatever, which is foolishness anyway. So, cause if them have the money, why them shouldn't go?
Yeah.
Abroad. Anybody who have the money and want to go abroad for treatment is for them thing. But at the same time, the whole issue of, just how good our doctors are as a collective in comparison to other parts of the world is still a matter that is heavily debated out there and so forth. But when I say, I don't know of any situation where our doctors are so good that them grapple with these things and then find out some new things what the world hear about and say, whoa, at least this thing come out of Jamaica,
For real.
I teach you something and something. I don't really know of any situation. You know of anything like that?
No, honestly. I don't know.
But you're Gilbert, baby. So
all that too, I'm not go doctor regular, so you know what I mean?
Yeah. You not go doctor regular?
Nah. I feel like I've had like common cold flu, but.
Okay. You go doctor for flu?
One time when it was like really bad. Cause you know what me say ow.
Oh, okay. Okay, really bad flu, you can't go doctor, but you know, in general, you don't go doctor for flu.
No man, sometimes you forget something for the flu. Like if it
No, okay, you go doctor, whenever understand that. But yo, I mean, it's a rum, lime, and salt, you know.
Hey, and one what I wanna do some
our green ganja leaf in a cure in a rum, you know.
or there's this thing that I see my mother do turnip and sugar and you left it make it spring the water by itself. Something of the sort.
Oh,
but me not drink that.
Money touch that. Don't touch that thing. Anyway, people, that was.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
I generally agree. Foundation DJ and I sitting a big. And I'm a good friend like that. To larger percent degree anyway you're there. The boss. Cause you don't know. Are we there on tour and flight cancel and be things and them have a run up and down over from bus all boat. You understand? And then when they put you in our hotel and then tell us we're ready in the hours and we'll come now and this and that and whatever. Plane still not ready. Not really, man. Then we not go back in the hotel again. Before we hear it, fire in the hotel, we have to run out in the cool and all that. They agree, you don't know, so we go through it in New York on that tour. Everything is everything. Large up yourself to a degree anyway, there you're the boss and I sitting. I used to set it for Nuff away, you know, you're Red Rat and Buck and the whole meeting street family. When that matter up the sitting, you're still there going with things. All right, then, make me see what I'm going with them email and where you sitting there now. Make me just line up the email them because it's email time. I think people sending them email to it. And we're upon the pregnancy mix-up. Pregnancy mix-up with the pan same way. Pregnancy mix-up with the pan same way. Here we go. First email. Raga big up to the girl in a South Manchester where always I take set for my grandmother man. Grandmother man? The girl have 4 pitney. And none of the father them not turn with her. Cause she nasty. The girl did go dash out look start out for my grandmother man. And him go in at the girl house. And in they look like when hog pen want clean. The girl house have a piece of smell there. Yo. If someone look like when hog pen want clean. I can't imagine how disgusting that place must be. If someone look like when hog pen want clean. Because you know hog pen always dirty because of hog and mud. So if hog pen reach a point where it just dirty to a point where it have to clean. Yo! Well, I want to have some imagery now the mind and now the language and thing for using. Our house look like when hog pen want clean. Can only hear that from a Jamaican boy. Next email, Mr. Raga, when me did small, a man give my godmother a 1 burner kerosene and stove. And she did a cook on it for one next man. And the man will give her the stove. Come see the man in the house. Raga the man fling off the pot and put the stove on him head and go up the road. And you know kerosene oil stove take long for out. The man a walk with the fire pan. The man a walk with the fire pan him head. One piece of same thing, Raga. Mad. I don't know, you know. Yeah. You know, I really support the take it back thing. But if me and a woman there, and she say me alone she there with, and me I buy her a stove, and the basis say, and my woman there, and me alone she there with, and me turn up suddenly and she a cook food for her next man. Yo, me I take back my stove too. Emily, what you think?
Dirty man.
What you say, what?
Yeah, dirty man.
Me a dirty man.
No, but me not wrong you yet. Come, would I take back my dog? So take back your stove, yeah. Me don't wrong you. Take back your stove.
You take back your
and
what?
take back the gas cylinder too.
No, hold on. What you mean take back the dog? What did I talk about?
Yeah, me I say if me can take back my dog, you can take back your stove. You know what I mean?
No, me don't know about the dog.
Take back your stove.
No, the dog situation with Tyson Beck for different from the stove. What me I say now?
Yeah.
You see, if it's a woman who me know say she a do her thing, I say me a look her, and me run go by stove go fear,
Yeah.
and she not really there with me yet.
Yeah.
And me like a Gladys run go by stove go give her, and then me see her a cook on the stove for the next man. Now that would be my fault.
Yeah, man, that would be your fault. Cotton is
That would
straight
be
up. Yeah.
All right, so me not take back.
But
That.
if, yeah.
But say me see my bona fide woman there.
Right, say, ride or die.
She tell me, say, me a bona fide man and she not there with nobody else but me. And me no, go down a courts and go down a singer or Kemlani and go take out my good store.
Yeah.
And say, this is for you, baby, because you am a woman.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean, buy something for my woman. And you don't tell me, say, you am a woman and me are your man.
Yeah.
And me no want you cook no pan no more wood stove. See a gas stove here. Then me turn up one day and see bigger food, cut him 10 in the house and food I cook pan the stove for bigger food. No, me I take back my stove.
Yeah, man, take it back. Take back the cylinder too.
All when bigger food I been and I go and me I take back the stove, you know. Oh. Nah, man, that's not this that. But back to the dog thing with Tyson Beckford. You can't take back the dog. You know, look.
No, sir.
If you give somebody an animal, you don't take back the animal.
No, but all you feel me a going on mall and me see him and film other woman are walking there and she hands up my dog. No, me I take it back. I'm sorry.
But Michelle, it was a situation where you would have left the man.
So
in this case, Tyson
the dog
Beckford and the
still
girl.
know scent.
Hold on. Tyson Beckford and the girl did left. Them never there anymore. They left. That was understood. The two of them understand that. Tyson a theme woman, new woman or woman. She a fear a new man. When the one she got to go kill the dog.
No business.
No, and then she a walk with the man. So what? Because
no,
she there with a new
carry the bag
Hold on.
and him carry the dog. She no fear carry the dog when me give him.
Yep.
It
Oh, you mean in
different.
yours?
Yeah.
No. No, you know make no sense. If you give a man you did there with a man and you give him a dog and you and the man left. You say after you and the man left. Any woman and man that they with cannot in any way interact with the dog. It's must the man alone that interact with the dog.
Me not say that, but me just don't want nobody to top.
No, alright, so what you say? Any other
Or if him left me.
what's if him? And what's if them look happy though?
Don't. I just try to go down. But no,
What's
Raga,
if them look-
me not wrong you for take back your stove in that instant there.
No, yeah, man.
And take back the cylinder gauge too. Take it back, yeah.
Take back everything too. and wife, because she put back the gas where she using it too.
And be careful because she might move with the burner.
No, man, take back everything too. You understand? You see?
No, sir.
Anyway, next email. Hi, Raga. Based on the Child Care and Protection Act of 2004, rape should be reported. Persons who are also knowledgeable and refuse to report it, Section 6, subsection 4, shall be liable upon summary conviction. Let me just read this properly. Hi, Raga. Based on the Child Care Protection Act of 2004, rape should be reported. Persons who are also knowledgeable of rape and refuse to report it, Section 6, subsection 4, quote, shall be liable upon summary conviction before resident magistrate to a fine not exceeding $500,000 or imprisonment to a term not exceeding 6 months or to both such fine and imprisonment, end quote. This is in reference to the mix-up now. The pastor should be held responsible, and if the child was used by the persons who introduced her to the pastor, then they should be held responsible. Keep up the good work. Okay, there is people sending in some information based on the mix-up we did here regarding the little girl and the Dan pastor. Next email. We got serious. It would just be nice for the summer where you just do your thing and the Broadcasting Commission cannot have no jurisdiction over you and people are here you same way. Don't. But anyway, next email. Rock at them for low, Biggie. Every day them get up and a text said upon the girl. Me believe Biggie, me believe her. And even if I lie, she tell She ain't not the first pecan man and say she breed. Look how much of them call there you get. On a low biggie and gwe. I see him some get this, see him some get. That's all right. Next email. Raga, I graduated with honors for my Bachelor of Science degree and I listened to your show. I was never born and nor raised in the ghetto. Both my parents are educated. I see nothing wrong with your show. Jamaicans on a whole are uncomfortable with their own identity, skin color, socioeconomic background, etc. With my decorated educational achievements, I have learned so much on your show and I put that new knowledge to use. Raga, you obviously have their profile and they are afraid that you're going to let out their secret. The fight that they are bringing is a blatant attempt to kill our freedom of speech. This is not a democratic move, but a dictatorship. Fight, Raga, fight. Fight, Raga, fight. I have your back. Hallelujah. Next email. Raga, I big up my baby father of 3 years. I'm pregnant for him and him don't even have a clue. I want to tell him, but don't ready yet. You think him deserve to know, Raga? One time I did pregnant for him and him claim say, I not for him, and it happened that I had a miscarriage, and here I go again. Raga, big up my baby father of 3 years. I'm pregnant for him and him don't even have a clue. I guess this means that he's already father of a child, a 3-year-old child, and that she's pregnant again, right? Okay. And she don't know if she must tell him. Well, that's interesting, right?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm walking the car and talk up the things them.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love when I call them, you know. But nobody get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say, you know. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our setting now with them on the pregnancy mix-up. See them where you see it. Or any other shell down mix-up one want send on and rinse. So don't just go and nice up the thing. Keep up the energy, keep up the vibes. And sitting. Now we used to mix up without apology. Yeah, it's a university of mixed apology. Green Bee shot that one now. I like it. The University of Mixed Apology. But before we take the call, yo, I want to big up again the people who always walk and talk to themselves. And when somebody catch you, I walk and talk to themselves. When they start sing one song and go like a sing when they did that sing. Michelle, talking at you ever do that yet?
Well, me not sing me an answer back can be no business.
No, hey, you have some people, no, honestly, no, I don't know what go on at Jamaica, but from what they mean, you have some people who kind of argue with themselves, you know. I get heated with themselves. You understand?
Me not gonna lie, me talk to myself. And I remember I was in one of my lectures with Dr. Sonia Stanley and she said to me that people always say, you can talk to yourself, but when you answer back, your match. She said, no, when you talk to yourself, you have to answer back. Because if you don't answer back, that means say you're mad. Because if you are talking to somebody, you want them answer back, done. So just answer back and done. So, you know, I've been living by that. So when we talk to myself, I answer back.
No, you can't. You and Sonia can't talk when no one talk. I don't think it's a good idea for people to have like these strong conversations and argue with themselves, say one thing to themselves, then themselves answer back and go on like them all want to fight themselves. You understand?
And the mothers do it too. Like mothers do it a lot, talk to themselves.
No, you have some people when them cook them talk to themselves, when them clean them talk to themselves, when them do work. Like I said, what a file you then? What you do over yourself? Me never tell you say you not feel over yourself. Go over yourself, man. All right, what the other file? And them talk to them. What the tomato? They not you full of so much juice to them. And them talk to themselves. No, me not think nothing wrong. But when the people them a walk and a talk to themselves like on the street and no, I'm afraid of them. I'm afraid of them.
So
The
you're not
people them
talking to
do say,
yourself?
Who me?
Yeah.
Well, no. Well,
The
not
whole
really.
woman. The whole we
No,
have
not-
madman in a clean clothes.
Not really. I don't really think. Anyway, phone line right now. Mix up time, people. Mix up time. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon to you too.
Yeah, first time caller, but long time listener. You have a
See
piece of
there.
mix up again, Raga. Because
Box me
this
in my
guy
class
usually come
with
to my
it.
house. Hello?
Who? What you say
This
what?
guy usually come to my house.
Eh.
So, me always think say me don't like him, say me love me. So when him a come, you know, last year my birthday, Raga.
No, hold on. You said this girl always a come at your house, but you always a what?
Man. This
Man,
guy.
okay, guy, okay.
Yeah. So when he come at me house after my birthday, you know, he come to 14 and you not go
No, you can't say that. You can't say that on the radio, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so him refer to you with the B word where end with H. All right? Yeah.
Yeah. So me
And
get
when-
upset and tell him to leave, Raga. He no want to leave. So me say, all right, you have to stop coming here because me say this me.
Right.
Last year, no, Raga, me automatic during the rain. When you come out, they ring my phone and find my phone, take my phone, Raga. So me have only for female, male and female friend. He start calling me and say, they don't talk to me because me a seller. So when you do that, Raga, me get the device and me realize him tease my phone. So when me call him now, he must say, I know him, Raga. So me start to say things, you know. Remember, say you can't try to diss me, you can't flap me, show me move to flap you. What you mean by me can't diss you? So me start to say, remember, say a good swiper, you know, rampy swipe, Raga. So one Sunday, me there, me put in a love show. Me put in Raga, and I say, so you kill me? So me say, no, me not in that because me a old man now.
Hold on, no, man. You go through a whole heap or something. So you tell him, say, I'm a good swiper.
Yeah, me realize him a that.
But hold on, him ever swipe you?
Yeah.
Okay.
What
And that, I want him,
Yeah.
I want him, one heap of time him swipe you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And you
me
never
put in
swipe him
show
back?
enough him do that, Raga.
Hold on. You never swipe him back?
No, Raga, me not do them something there.
Okay, but you take the swipe.
Yes, Raga, because me love it.
You love it, so you and him ever sat out too?
No, Raga, me not give him. So me put in the show for him do that, and when him see do that, he love to do it.
Oh, you put in the
Yeah.
show for him, see the swiping, and then you make him swipe?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on,
Yeah, so when he call his phone, his number them in my phone, Raga, I'm a tell him man if he don't deal with it for me, I tell her, Raga. So this
Yeah.
man did love me. Yeah. So him start
What
to tell him if he don't deal. Raga. I tell him man them on the phone, so they know if he talk to me because he take on my phone, he start calling. So me start dissing Raga and I say, your mother come from foreign, I come to Jamaica, look man, fi tie and pan her old don't save. And me a young girl, me no old like your mama. So Raga man come from foreign, a true man love me, I feel no Raga man, I go on like he want diss me too. Trim tell him, say me and him live together, Raga. Me just go a yard and take when me sheet them and stuff and carry back on me yard, Raga.
You go off a yard, go take away your sheet then.
The man when I call and I mix up me with the man.
Oh, but so this is a different man now. What you did that
Yes,
part with?
Raga.
Okay, you and a man that did that.
Farm work, Raga, and a 3 times he send money. So me say, oh yeah, this is take a program. So whatever me give me, I take it back. So when
What you
he
mean?
come
Three?
here, I say,
Well, no. When you say a 3 time him send money, what you mean? A little bit of time that?
Yeah. And the money
should I
is
say-
small, Raga.
I did how much money him send?
$50 insane, Raga.
Each time him send money to you for farm work at $50 him send?
Yeah. And
Okay, and a
I tell you,
treat.
nothing now go on over the Raga.
Okay, so when you come back from farm work, you just go back, go take your sheet them and thing when it up here.
Yeah. More even
So,
less
but-
to Raga, me tell you pack them up for more to give food for the poor.
Okay, but so when you start out with the farm work one, when you did already left the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you on the farm work, well on, you on the farm work one did I start out and then him go on farm work and then on go 3 times him send you 50 US and things. So when him come back and that one day I tell him the things and you go take back your things from the farm work one.
Yes, Raga.
Okay, go on to.
Yeah, so me say me go tell him say if he finish pack up his stuff, they want to give food for the poor Raga. So me no go back up there still. The one go there, but this a man a keep a car that they want there tell him say me live with him. I me no live with him Raga. Me live to myself.
Oh, sin.
Yeah. So him say if him a done me no man now go get me Raga for when he done with me nobody now go want me Raga. But me tell him say I lie because him still want me Raga. Yeah.
Oh, him still want you. And
yeah,
the only
but me
thing
no want him find face. Juki and ugly Raga just some money me did want. So not no
Him
again that
fe-
want too tough.
where oh him face still?
His face rocky and ugly Raga.
Him face juki, rocky and ugly.
Yeah.
So how you manage
So-
make that juki? Well, I know. How you manage make that juki, rocky face? They swipe you.
Yes, brother, because of true, me never love him. Me did love him, would have him straight. He couldn't swipe me. Me would make him swipe me rather if me did love him.
Oh, if you didn't love him, you only make him swipe you.
No, rather would have him straight up for myself.
Oh, and who you love and want there with straight, you don't make them man they swipe you. And who you don't
No.
love, you make swipe you.
Exactly, rather.
Okay, so that way you don't have no problem see him juki and rocky face and swipe you.
No, me not have the problem there because me tell him, say, me never did want him, rather, but him want me and me never want him.
Okay, so from you don't want him, you just say at least you're good for swipe. Since you there anchor on, do two swipe and cool.
Rather, yard boy, rather.
Oh, a yard boy.
Yeah, for me coming clean up me yard, rather.
I'm married. What you say? Him just deserve yard boy ratings. I eat that boy.
Yes,
That.
rather, for every time he come and clean up my yard, rather, pick up his stone him and put them one side for stone in me live and like, you know, rather.
Oh, so boy just
Yeah.
good for clean. So boy just good for clean yard and swipe, you know?
Yes, rather, so I slap him, same I slap me, rather. Me I look good, girl, him can't slap me, rather. Me selling that market, I go for start for myself, rather.
Okay, and you look good, girl. Oh, well, me not, don't vex with me, but oh, you know you look good. Like, what about you make you know say you look good?
Oh, me, rather, when me put on my clothes, me know that, rather. I sell
What you
me
mean?
clothes, rather.
Okay.
Yes, so
About-
me know people
about-
one and one together.
Okay, about how old are you right now?
Me are 41, rather, still young and fresh, and 5 kids and 3 grand pitney.
5 kids, 3 grand pitney, 41, and you look good, girl.
Yes, rather, me not even look my
Man.
age. Father, me
You're not
slim.
even... Oh, you look. How old you look to, boy?
Rather,
Yeah?
them say me looking at me 30, see and we rather. But me say
Okay.
no, me na me 41, me are 41 rather. 22nd of last month, me are 41 rather.
So you're hot as man, you're good as man.
Then me no most good as rather for a man when me have right now, me 6-year-old and him rather.
Oh, the man where you dead right now, I'm at 35.
He not full 35 yet. March,
Oh,
he 35.
Okay. I don't want to hear work.
When me put on
Yeah.
me clothes, me and him good to go. For me and him go at a funeral and people no stop telling me we look good.
Man, I saw it things.
Yes, rather.
All right, don't make the yard boy and the joke. Don't make the yard boy and the rocker face boy get the better. Yeah, just go and do your thing, yeah?
He can't stop me, rather. So that's why I never
Alright.
want to call his foot in like that. But me, I tell him, say, my swipe on him, my thief.
Okay, all right then. All right, take care here.
Yes, rather.
Take care. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Greetings.
Yeah. My big up the 2 girls where they did the dance at the night. I meet the man for the first time and the man pay for them for going. And when them going and tell them for a while, the man tell the man that they're hungry, they want food and soup. So why you big up the 2 girls, you know which 2 girls may attack. Cause you did a pretty too, girl.
Me did I pre them?
Oh, yeah, man. Are you linky sister? And when you sit down in the vehicle, the two girls, then they're there right before you there, so. When they look at old man.
Nah, we don't know what you're talking about, you know. Tell Root that one day. Tell Root that one day, because I don't know where you're talking.
We got the dance Saturday night.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. You talk that one, run that one, the private.
Okay, Raga, big up yourself. All right.
All right. Well, now talk to Root, man. Talk to Root. Give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
You hear me?
Yeah, man.
All right, I'm calling from London in the UK, so the first time you call, so that's why it take time for me to hear you.
All right, Papa, no say a word, man. Everything is everything. Talk up now. What you say?
All right, listen to that mix-up, yeah. You have one woman in a London town. She have one man down at Jamaica in a Portmore, and she has sent for the man. Mr. Raga, she walk out, do all her London and thief out her clothes out of the people, them shops, they send for this boy come at England. Mr. She walk and thief, for get the money, for bring the boy come at England. This a big 50-year-old woman, you know. And at 23 the boy is, and she walk and do all of these things, are reaching a police station all hours and night to get the money for bring the boy come. Anyway, come to the Thursday now, the boy is supposed to arrive at Heathrow, Terminal 3.
Yeah.
I come into London. So the woman lad, she put on her Louis Vuitton and she put on all her designer clothes to go meet this dirty boy at the airport. She take out her range, but she drive one range and she pull up at the airport and me there with her, she depart. Lad, my friend, you go see the boy and lad, when me reach in London with him, the whole of the girl, them go eat me through my whole and him young. Mr. Raga, we sit down for 4 hours at the terminal and wait for this plane for come in.
Yeah.
I said the plane come in. We no see no boy. So she go crazy upon her phone. Hold on now, Raga. So she go crazy upon her phone now and I make all kind of calling at the airport. She walk up and down. She nearly pull off the lace wig off her.
Come back on the radio. Hello? Well on, bring him in back. Well on, bring him in back there. Hello? 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 Hello?
All right.
Yeah. You just get your lecture, right? Listen, stop.
Hello?
You cannot say them word upon the radio, so you have to control yourself here.
Apologies.
All right, that's where you get deep in a mix-up. You cannot dash out them word, man. All right. No, so I want to go back to the
underwater.
You about to go underwater?
This one I go underwater, so everybody have to go hold them nose, because we are going deep now.
All right. Go deep. All right, talk up now.
So we leave the airport now.
Yeah.
She there in the car, me I drive, because she can't even drive to how she stress, Raga. She make up all kind of horse fat and cow fat, but this a plane must stall and one something. Anyway now, 3 days later, we are get ready for go one dance in London. So we're in London and we are going to dance. Hey, Mr. Raga, this one I go speak to you. The woman walking at the dance. And see the boy in the dance where she take her money, go stand for and buy a ticket with the girl who she used to friend with. Not more than his friend cut her throat and did I link this same boy and go pick him up at the air before we reach there.
I went the backside here, tell me, Tambourine! No, that one you're on.
Raga, I said tambourine, you're going to need a guitar and drum and all kind of musical instruments for that one, yeah. But no, the boy there in England, with our friend, I live in the house. And she a do everything she can to try deport back the boy now. Because the visa connection and all kind of thing. Mr. Raga, the woman a big 50-year-old woman. And after this now, she come like 100-year-old woman. The queen soon send her telegram for her 100th birthday.
Tambourine! Mad!
Tambourine, yes.
Well,
and big up
stress and take her.
Go on good.
Well, stress and take her, no?
Stress attack her, Mr. Raga, 50-year-old woman, she all do her breast them. She lift up her breast and get her breast induced and go to the surgeon.
Right, that's okay. What you're saying is that she get plastic surgery on her breast, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah man, go and talk now. That's okay.
I'm going to do her belly too.
Oh, she get her belly tuck.
Yeah, because you know in London and America, them all of the old ladies want to be young.
Okay. So then tell me something now. When she going at the dance, I remember now you said this woman here walk on 50-year-old walk on thief clothes every day to get money for send for this a boy from Jamaica, 23-year-old and thing. And she go airport and a hype and beer things. And she not see the boy come out. 3 days after she go in a dance and see the boy with her friend in her dance. And you say nothing more than her friend broke her foot. Go there before, pick up the boy and think. So when she go in there and see her friend with the boy, what she do?
Raga, what she do? What you mean what she do? She walk out of the dance. She don't say nothing to the woman. Me I tell you, she's a big 50-year-old woman. That's why me can't walk with her no more because me think she big, bad and heavy. But she not do nothing, Raga. She there ball and say she can't believe that her friend would have do her that. And she can't believe the boy. And she call him mama and she class out him mama in Jamaica. And she call up the immigration and she do all kind of things. Now the boy have to run on the island in England. The next woman just carry him all about the place to keep him from her. Because she knows she going to send him home.
Oh, what a clat you tell me. So which part of England this a go on, you know?
It's in London, the capital, where all of the girls them are going like them good, but the one of them they are London and sleep palm floor and a catch palm floor. them think them live out of Jamaica for good life and them come to England and them have suffer more in London than what them did in Jamaica. Better them did stay. So no follow the hype. No follow the DVD where you see the girl them in the clothes. Because them in the clothes but them asleep palm floor in England.
So what you said, this a 50-year-old man, she walk and thief for clothes them and sell them, left, right and center, eh?
She walk and thief and she still not look good. Me shame for her, that's why me have to do her. Because I never know that the woman so full like idiot when I have to start walk with her now. Because normally we walk with her because she walk and do the things then. But now I have to lose my rating for her. She a dirty bungle.
Shadotti Bungle. Okay.
Yeah.
So how old are you?
Me are 23.
Yeah, 23. But she was a good friend because you didn't have the range with her and thing, don't it? No.
Me and her never go to school, Raga. Me are 23, she are 50. Me no good friend. She have car in England, so me drive around in a car with her.
What you say, what?
Mr. She have car and England cold, so me drive around in the car with her.
Tambourine! So what are they? Then between me and you tell me to...
The people them on the wall, because the people them on the wall say me a thief too.
Say ya what?
Them say me a thief too on the wall, on the Facebook wall. Them say me a thief too, so what am to that?
No, that me I gotta ask you, when she do the thieving then with the clothes, you never did a talk it truth, you never did a help her thief too.
Help her thief, me I help myself, me have no time to help nobody. Me have two Raga, me not going to shop and keep the hand in my pocket. Me have to text something to her, what do you? Me have to text something too.
So you thief too?
Yes, Raga, me supposed to go in the shop then. Ask them about me. Me there for your face, but while you can't ask them about me, me have to go in and help myself.
Then when you go in and try and help yourself, what some of the things them where you thief? What some of the things them where you thief?
Lad, me thief shoes, me thief belt, me thief trouser.
So, but what you have on over the girdle?
Raga, then if this big 50-year-old woman, I put on girdle and the girdle can't even fit her, and me who have my 29 size waist, me for put on girdle too, but you know easy. After no woman no more than me.
No woman, what may I ask you is, when you put on the girdle, what you put on over the girdle?
Oh, me put on my long coat like Sherlock Holmes.
Oh, okay, come that one if I dress you wear.
Raga. When me have one long coat, so when me go in at the shop now, me speak all posh and speak his spooky, so them don't realize, say me a tip come have the twang for them.
Okay.
So when me go in at the shop, let me tell you what me would I say to the woman in the shop now who are working at the shop. I just go in the shop and I go, excuse me, darling, I'm looking for a dress for around £4,000 for my sister's ball. So I'm just wondering if you can point me in the right direction. And the woman point me in the right direction, so me have to take up the £4,000 dress. I'm going to sell it out the road for £2,000. Like, what do you in a recession in England?
Mad! So hold on. How many people are thief in a store up there? How many Jamaican are thief in a store up there?
Everybody I work on a thief. That's how the thing set up. London this. You have one shop named Arad. I have one shop named Selfridges. All the people who know about thieving. You have two big department stores. One named Arad and one named Selfridges. And me I tell you, say nothing in there not cheap. Me know a girl run out with a £25,000 dress what Beyonce are wear and what Jennifer Lopez are wear.
You see it. And so you make good money off of them things, yeah?
Yeah, Raga, we make good money a long time. We make good money, but some of them I make good money and them doors stay good. Some of them I make good money and I get to one who don't want them.
Oh, okay,
and some of them there in England. Some of them girls, them there in England, I walk on the hype, and them mama there in Jamaica, I walk and sell stallion.
For real? And them have the money up there and now send it, give them mama down?
No, them not send it, give them mama, them there are mine young boy England.
Okay, well, I know, man, what you tell, but what's some of the other drama we are going to England? What's some of the other mix-up we are going to England? What's some of the things that them are going?
You have some girl over here, you have some guns girl over here too, who I walk and give them name baby and them can't spell them baby name. I forgot with them them spell the name.
What? Them I give them baby name and can't spell the name when they give them baby?
Them can't spell the name. Them I watch TV in England, Raga, and them want to give them baby fancy name and they don't know how to spell the fancy name and through me have my diploma and my degree. Me have to follow them, go to the birthplace to register the baby name because the mama can't spell the name.
Brap, Tambourine!
Yeah.
Wait, do I make I pop up in there? Yeah, then wait. Well, you know what nobody know. You want to know. You can't just wait for the line. We're going to make them.
Raga, me not hide myself. Me up on your walls from last night. I shelled on your wall. Go look for me, Kartel Brown.
Are you the Kartel Brown? Me see you on the wall. Are you the Kartel Brown?
Yeah.
All right, well on.
Me from London. Still good. What do them?
Wait, Kartel Brown, well on them. We're going to make them read the news, but we're coming right back to you. Here?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in Ice Sitting. Welcome back up in Ice Sitting. Large up yourself. I have a call up on the line here. I shell down the place outside of London. Him name Kartel Brown. And thing I talk up the things them want go on over there in London with the Jamaican them go on with. And sitting. And for those of you asking which wall is he on, it is my fan wall that is and the AC wall that has a limit, so you pretty much can't get on the wall. But he's referring to the fan wall, and the name for the fan wall is simply Ragashanti, Ragashanti. So you would just type that in for all you are asking, where is the wall? Again, it's on Facebook, and he's referring to the fan wall, the Ragashanti fan wall. The other wall is Mixup Raga, and it's kind of difficult to get on that one that we call AC wall and thing, but he's referring to the fan wall and so forth. But the people must say Kartel Brown has in fact been shutting down the wall. Kartel Brown. Kartel Brown.
Yeah.
Raga. Yeah, man. So, yeah.
Raga, me just want to make them know one thing, yeah?
Yeah.
My born in 1988, and my mother give me the name Kartel, and I buy it by, you know. Me never buy the name.
Oh! So wait, your name a Kartel for you?
I never buy it by.
Well on, a Kartel your name for you?
Yes. I mean, what I have to scan up my birth tables and put it for your wall, because I'm frightened say they will take me passport number and go look how working on my name.
Okay, I wanna want them do that and think so. What age you go London?
I was born here.
Oh, Zin, so you're born and raised a lot.
British. I'm British blood. I'm British.
You're British, mate. You strike British, mate.
I'm British, mate. You get me? I'm
Okay.
British Ragashanti. Straight like that, fam.
I got you, mate. You strike British, unadulterated strike British, mate. Cheers.
But if I want to be Jamaican, I can't be Jamaican. And if I want to be American, I can be American because I just start talking like that, and then they think I'm from New York City, Ragashanti. You get what I'm saying?
Kartel, how you beat them, man, so?
And big up the 400 friend requests who are coming from my Facebook now. Jesus Christ, Facebook I got crash.
Kartel Brown, beat them, bud. Beat them,
Some of
bud.
them girls. Mr. Raga, some of them girls in England, them a talk about them have car in England, them not have no car, them have one free bus in England. It named the 149 bus, and it named the number 12 bus, and it carry people for free. And at night time, you see the whole of the girls are left out of the dance and jump on the free bus for go to them yard. Make them move themselves, and them to stop tell lie about them there in England. I drive car and all of these nice pretty things. Them two lie, man, so me have to go come talk the truth.
No, talk up the things, Kartel Brown, because when you say when them go to dance and thing, enough of them a jump on the 149 free bus and the number 12 free bus, and I tell people at Jamaica say them have them car and beer things, don't it?
Yes, and when them go up on the bus, they make the bus smell like one fish market. If they ever go up on a bus, the bus stink. And then Raga, me party our next mix up now because me know the woman a listen. Me got thief one dress one day, Raga.
Yeah.
A 1,500 pounds for the dress.
Yeah.
The woman has size 12. So she said to me, all right, Kartel. She said, Moa, you got teeth me that dress them. I said, all right then, lady. I said, what size you want me to get? She said, Moa, you get Moa size 10. But I said, hold on there, you're size 12. Or you go older than size 10. Can you tell me about my body? I want this size 10. I said, all right then. Me go for the dress, Raga. One only per struggle to get the dress, you know. Me have to jump up in the ceiling and pull down the dress from half of the ceiling to get the dress for her. Me carry the dress for her now. She go try on the dress. The dress can't fit her, so you know me go for the aisle and aisle her down, because I said that dress has to go on her. She has to see the in that dress there. So my aisle her down, Raga, my aisle her down. The dirty woman come to me, but she no want the dress. We have to go back to the size 12. I say, I love you, I tell the dirty woman. I say, because me walk with your name night and day, me not get my money today. So you know, she has to see my money, because me now run them joke there.
You see it? So when you tell us say you have to go back for the size 12, after you don't tell us the other size, you go fancy ask the 10 and I tell you back for the size 12. You tell us, I love you, tell woman, because me walk with your name night and day for to get my money.
Me tell her, say, go to woman, me look like me name Kuno Mono, about me for go back to size 12. What do you? After me Kuno Mono. What do she?
Me not know.
Wear them size. That me I say to the girl them all around the world, girls for wear them size. If you're not big, you wear big clothes. If you're not small and petite, wear petite clothes. Wear your size. Yeah,
Tell them, Kartel Brown, tell them.
Yeah, I'm telling in England, I walk around in a 2 left shoe. You know, what left or what right. Them have on 2 left shoe and them foot.
All right, Roots, what's the connection to make sure say you have him link and everything and thing. Then Kartel now, tell me the truth.
I come for shell it done once a week.
What? Nah, man, Root, make sure Root take your number, you know.
Have my number, I'm there on Facebook. Me, I go be the correspondent. So, you know, me, I go give you all things from England and give you full lowdown on what's happening in London.
Voila. But Kartel Brown, you call a break up. There's no move if you move here because we hear some look breaking up a Gwanda. But before you cut Kartel and things, so you ever come Jamaica yet?
Yes, I went there in 2004 to Westmoreland, Grange Hill.
Oh, Grange Hill, Westmoreland, that's where you come from?
What?
Hello? Grange Hill, Westmoreland, your people them come from. Okay.
My grandfather, who is Indian Jamaican, yes, he comes from there.
Your grandfather, who is what?
He's Indian Jamaican. I think you call it Coolie.
Coolie. Oh, okay. Them say, yeah, well,
and
Indian.
My father is Irish. That's why me white.
Oh, okay. Your father is Irish, and your grandfather is Indian.
And my mom is mixed.
And your mother mixed. Okay, so we notice I look at your picture on the wall and you look mixed.
Yeah, look at my picture, come me feel good, I look good.
So, you know bleach?
How do you? Raga, you ask me about if me bleach, and then I run down what me born with. Me no need for bleach.
Bra.
The last man when me see bleach, sir, and Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, you see it. So you need Kartel, bro.
One way. No, Raga, let me tell you something. You see, God is very powerful. If him wanted to be white, he would have make you white. And if he wanted to be black, he would have make you black. But he make it possible for you to socialize and integrate with other cultures. But if he want people white, he would have make them white. Everybody's put on this earth for a reason and a purpose. And you can't take it by yourself to mess with nature and try to divert your path what God has set for you. You can't play with them something that you can't play with life like that. You just have to be comfortable. And when you're comfortable in your own skin, you can talk and walk any way you want.
Listen to me, Kartel, bro. You there shell down the place with Mixup, but you see that speech that you just gave a while ago is one of the most philosophically sound talk we hear on that show. Yeah, and things. So we just want to say big respect for what you just said a while ago. For real, we just want you to know that.
Yeah, it's all about, let me tell you something. There is too much going on in the world, yeah? Everybody should just be comfortable with themselves. You have to love yourself before you can expect anybody out there to love you. And that's why enough people get disrespect in a relationship and them get disrespect in them workplace because they don't have no inner confidence. It's all about confidence. You have to wake up every morning and say, yes, me is great. Me love myself.
Man. They tell me something for somebody who you have that bright, articulate side there, and you are God-fearing, you believe in God, and you are comfortable in your identity and who you are and everything, and you have that God thing about you. Some people are going to hear you talk that way, they know, say, you to hustle like you go in a store and thief, and I say, yo, but that you contradict yourself right there. So what you say to them? What is your response?
What I would say to this is, we in life, we're born in...
Hold on. Kartel, 1 second before you answer. Send out the time signal.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Full of flavor, full of fun. Reggae jamming friends for everyone.
Reggae jamming Frankfurters. Full of flavor, full of fun. Pick up a pack today. The time by Reggae jamming Frankfurters is...
It's 16 minutes after 3 o'clock. Yeah, Kartel Brown. As a man who you're God-fearing, you believe in a God, but you hustle as a, you're out there thief and do your thing, and you don't hide your thing, you open with your thing, and you don't shame and whatever. Yeah. So, what you da explain if somebody say, but you contradict yourself, what you da say to them?
Okay, the first thing we would have say, Raga, is nobody on this earth have the right to look upon another human being and judge them. the path what them decides to take in life. And the reason why is because we're all born in some kind of system, whether you're white, whether you're black, whether you're Asian, whether you're Chinese. We're all born in a certain things, yeah? And you have Wayne Wonder who sing the tune, you do what you do, so you have to survive. Yeah, and that is what I'm doing. I'm surviving in a world where government only make rich people rich. In England, the government stay the same, just like the government in Jamaica, just like the government in America. The rich get rich and the poor get poorer. So me, I wanted the poor. So me have to help myself. And when me go down for my knee and me pray to Father God, me say, Father God, oh me I go eat and oh me I go pay my bills and oh me I go pay my rent. In who come down and make me see that me have to go do certain things what might not be right to society. But me not kill nobody. Yeah, me not murder no picnic, me not walk or rape nobody. Me a thief from people who are insured. Me a thief from people who are thief from we from years ago. Me a thief dressed in a shop ragga. You know how much young little picnic them have in India and Africa to make that dress there, and I give them little money to make the dress there, and I come sell the dress for all 5,000-10,000 pounds. Me not thief from nobody, me not thief from nobody else. Me a thief from big global organizations who are rob people for years. And when me dead, and when me go up in my life, God will go judge me for what me do, and me ready for my judgment.
So you say only God can judge you right, you know?
Only God, only nobody on this living earth can judge me, because me say, me not fear nobody. Yeah, God alone is here, and Him alone can judge me. And Him know what me do, and Him know the reason behind it. And me can justify why me go in a shop and me go take up the things. And me can justify that to myself. And it's up to God whether Him can look at me and say, yes, you was right to do so, or you was not right to do so. Because we should have never in a situation where we have to go out and go do them things there. But sometimes when you're back against the wall, you just have to go with it.
No, but I mean, Kartel, bro.
Ambition.
Me know, but you know, the way you just explain it is like you say, God is going to be understanding why you thief. That God will understand and God cool with it.
Everybody has this preconception about God and this and God. That is one thing about God. My God is good and my God is good, and Him is very understanding. Raga. God must be a very understanding man, because sometimes some people do some things and Him still make them walk and live. So you know, say right there, that man is a very understanding man, because enough people will do some wicked act and some wicked crime, and Him still make them walk and live. He's a very understanding God, but you have to have a good relationship with Him for Him understand what you are doing. Enough people cannot have no relationship with God. That's why nothing not going to change for them, because they only talk about God when they're back against God. They only talk about God when they're in a problem. They don't have no real relationship. You have to have a good relationship with God, and you have to know where Him are come from, where you are come from. Them only
Road, coverage, the coverage. You like him a break up a little bit. Yeah, Road. All right, Kartel Brown. We are talking to Kartel Brown, a youth outside of London, England. Born and grew in England and sitting and thing. His father was Irish, meaning a white Irishman. His grandfather was an Indian man, and you know, but in born and grew London, you know, of Jamaican linkages and things, specifically out of the Westmoreland side there and so forth. Quite a colorful character, and as a way of delivering material that just fits nicely with our show with respect to our mix-up focus and sitting. But we're seeing another side of him that is quite articulate. You don't have to agree with him. You don't have to agree with his opinions and his justification for some of his actions. But nonetheless, it's undeniable that he's quite articulate and can defend himself lyrically and sitting. And him know mix-up, him understand mix-up, and him reach the mix-up them. And we like that. We still have Kartel Brown Root. Yeah. Well, boy, may I tell you, say, the people, I get mad on the wall, on the internet. A crazy friend request them and send you and thing. Most of the ladies I say them like you. Yeah. Most of the ladies I say them like you and rate you like that. A celebrity I don't know in a Kartel, bro.
One thing me I go say. My way of life might not be the other's way of life, but it works for me. So just allow me to do my thing, and you do your thing, and that is it. Everybody spend too much time and watch what other people that do. That's why they can't know better. In life, you have to focus on yourself and focus where you are going. Don't worry about where Peter, Tom, and Paul are going. Worry about yourself. Do not worry and me are worry. And that's
them are worry. Why you say them are worry and you are worry? Man.
Them are worry. Why worry when you can pray?
Kartel, bro. One thing I want to ask you. You know what you just say? Like, you know, in some people for stop focus on other people and focus on themselves. Why? They might give it to me down here in Jamaica, you know. Them don't like my program because I say ghetto, I say Ray, I say Roy, I say Mixup and all them things. I don't know if you know what I want. But you have any opinion on that? You have any opinion on that?
What happens is when you have somebody from any kind of community, or take a stance against certain things and talk up for the ghetto people them and the poor people, they're always going to be a victim of the bureaucrats, and they're always going to be targeted by the higher commissioners of this and the commissioners for that. Because these people and these organizations do not like it when poor people take a stand and stand up for what they believe in. So they might go see you as a big influence. You is one man. Look on your Facebook while you have over 80,000 people. You're gone global. So you are a threat to them organizations because the people them there behind you. And if you come on the radio and say snow I go fall, everybody are going to say snow I go fall. And they don't like that. They don't like when poor people and ghetto people have so much power and control because them always want poor people to stay down in the gutter and are dead and are sick and all of these things. But Raga, if them ears say you're going to prison tomorrow, them would have happy. But through them ears say you're prosper and you have your show and the people that listen to you, them are try for broke your neck. But guess what? You shall prevail over them. Yeah, because it's good over evil. And you know why you do what you do. You give people all around the world who sometimes them day down or something happen and you brighten up people's day, even if it's with the mix-up. We all love mix-up. And anybody who say they don't love mix-up, I lie them, I tell. Yeah, and this show is just all about everybody coming together and we'll talk all we want to talk and freedom of speech. Yeah, 16 and broadband. That's what you're saying, Raga, and that's what them to do.
You say,
so all I would say is just keep on doing what you're doing because only God can judge you and God is with you because everybody is with you. I mean, no, out of them 80,000 people are only for God's blessed people in them 80,000 people there. And the government and the organization and the commission, them can't prevail against God. God alone can make the decision.
Kartel, bro. Listen, I just want...
Well, you say, Raga, because you're going. Then soon carry you go America, go put you on TV, lad. They might put you on American Idol for you judge the singer, them.
No say a word, man. What Kartel, bro? Kartel, bro. You see, me I listen to... Me I going to be honest with you about something, though. But I just want to say, enough respect for the talk where you make a while ago, because, me I tell you again, you're very concise and precise, and very clear, and you reason with a clarity, and you're very rational in your thinking and so forth and things like that. But at the same time, I want to present something to you just for you to think about, all right? Just for you to think about.
Okay.
You see, I want to in that throughout my life and thing, because my life is a what I'm working on. I used to walk a road and thief too, you know. All right? I used to go in that people them store and take out lotion, shampoo, Mills and Boone and Harlequin, Romance and sell all kind of thing. Everybody know my life story in Jamaica, because I talk about it. But one of the things I want to present to you is this, is that most people who I know also, them also because them did have very little alternatives or option, or them believe so. You know, just depending on the condition of them. And we have to be careful because we have a whole heap of big shot rich people, hustle and thief too. We know that. But nonetheless, we are talking about like people from certain background, like where we come from. May I listen to you? May I listen to you and the way you reason and the way you talk and whatever. And I am seeing an entrepreneur, I'm seeing somebody who can start a business that will just blossom and just be incredibly successful and be an inspiration to many other people.
Let me stay up in there. Let me tell you something. Me do what me do, and to tell you the truth, you see no ideas. The other day me do a little thing, but me not so much do it because me is a qualified fashion stylist as well, you know.
Right.
And anybody who come on my Facebook page will see me get a lot of work through styling people. So I style a lot of British people, like singers and them.
Hey, 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 yeah. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the tambourine. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Man, I mean, say great things and respect to all Massive and crew. Welcome in our local setting. It's all about Mixup Entertainment on the show right here, so. It name Ragashanti Live, hosted by yours truly, the king of Mixup. That would be me, Ragashanti, proper respect indeed. I'm here the principal. Yeah, I'm here Mr. Washbelly. Big up my mama dead and gone, but you pick the day I turn up trunk for the dirty nigga them same way. Oy. Large up on yourself, people, large up on yourself. We're there. Big up all our listeners and big up all of the people in my Jamaica who set it so the people in my foreign can get it. You understand? And big up all of the people and all our forebearers before we and thing who fight for we and thing and we there benefit from the sitting and I have as much fun as we can have and help who we can help quietly without loading it up, because when you help people nobody no want you go load it up and thing. You see it? Bellias, what you say?
I prefer the weird name. I'm okay.
What? You name Bellias, what?
No.
I use the food, you know.
No.
I use the food, you know. You know, play with food, you know.
Well, that's true. I'm not in the salad eating thing. Enough of them eat salad and them hungry like dog. Yeah, true. I'm not doing it.
No. You know what? Something used to beat me. Used to cuss salad.
No, I'm not meat. No, like say if them go out, oh, I'll just have a salad. When them know the hungry clock, them, you know, before them start out the food good. You know who them I try to impress.
Eddie Murphy do one piece on that already. So I'm not trust the salad eating woman. Them. We just go and like say them barely can't eat.
Like them dainty. And them when the relationship settle and them get where you can't control them, you know, man.
I true, damn teeth them. I remember you say I go and like say them not. It's all about minimum for them. And
yeah.
When you just attack to them and look like I warm them.
I'm just a salad with some ranch dressing and a glass of water. Me I ask for the course.
You bring them on your yard. When you bring them on your yard, they must say, I want to every Sunday 5 different meat me eat.
No. Yes, I want me on bread.
Yeah, but we give thanks, people. We give yo. Kartel, bro, and go out with some things.
Oh, Jesus.
My dark eye
what? You see all the
Kartel,
repeat?
bro, that is dark. Hey, people just a repetitive talk, them, you know. Yeah, you see all the talk, we are talking to somebody, you see, and the person say, hold on, man, I go deep, you know, I go underwater. Hold on, I go deep underwater. Yeah, if catch me off guard, say, what? If you know, I go underwater, I go deep, dive. You know, the submarine, I go down here. Dive.
I'm going to tell you the one of me love. What do I say? Them a worry and me a worry. Me like that thought they
yo, that's a take the place. Hey, it matter the internet.
Shot,
Fun wild gone with it. Yarders them gone with it. Mixup yard gone with it. AC gone with it. What of them said? Them a worry and me a worry.
Don't. It adds. Me like it, man.
I like that thought. That one. I thought them a worry and me a worry. You understand? I have places to go. Yeah. You can't sit down there, you can't stand there, sit down there and worry. And think I have places to go. Excuse me, I'm in a hurry. Okay, you stay there and go and worry. Okay, that's how it thinks. People that don't know. Yo, alright, we're going to make cross play, but just before cross play, I say Monday, I read that thing in the Observer again, and it's a thing where we touch over the years. Every minute we go back to it and so forth. This whole thing here in the church, when two people married, the church, I tell them, so them cannot get divorced at all. All when man beat out to man clock, them, the church, I tell them, so them can't get divorced. Some of them, I tell them, so you can't get divorced, but you can't separate. And if them go get divorced, them can't remarry once the other person is alive.
Is dead.
Unless that person they got dead. And it is very sexist, you know, because it discriminates against women. You understand? And we have a situation, we read an article in the Observer where a woman who go through the same thing, and then, you know, them get some opinions from some people. And thing with a like, Ruth, how I line up somebody to talk to about that. But we're going to read a little piece, right? But before we do that, and I don't know, it's all about the old school Thursday, right? Yes, upon Ragashanti Live. We want to big up all people, large up all police, big up all of the good police, the big up all of the good police, them. Big up all of the good ghetto people them out there, the good ghetto people. Big up all of the uptown people them. Big up all of the uptown bossy people them who are fight against ghetto people. Now clear out and go away. When I look around, I like them saying back in the day, I don't know if you remember them talking. But sucker bolo. Yo, what would that mean? I don't know what that means. I just know so. I want them acceptable.
Yeah. And I don't want to at one them.
No, but that one we can't, you know, that one we can't say anyway, you know.
Them have one about socks up too.
What?
Socks?
Yeah.
Careful, crisscross. How that one there?
No, but Reggae, you don't know socks up?
I know socks up. What would I say?
I say them have something like them say sock.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, that's in Mandeville.
Yeah, you don't know socks up.
That's from Mandeville.
That's from deep road.
That's a crisscross.
Know about that?
I'm from your edge that. I'm from your edge that.
Yeah, we're going to
yeah, from him and
so if somebody about that, you say, yo, why you don't allow me? I'm going to suck.
Yeah. Don't worry, because we are hurry.
Don't. Bam.
Tambourine. Kartel, bro, that never mash up the place. Oh, the Kartel never go so hard.
Say, Raga, if I ever tell you why me a hurry, you cry shame on me today, but go on there, sure. Big up my school.
Which one? You with?
Which school am I going to add in no more?
Okay, I'm going to say. Where is it? Somebody are worry and you are worry?
No, not somebody. You know, hear me say big up the school. Enough people are worry while them are worry. Or is the other way around. One out of the two of them.
Not sour. Levels. Yo, I'm not busy about nobody, but not busy about nobody, but me give thanks, my belly full, me eat a healthy lunch.
I know you one, Devon feed you.
Okay, we eat a healthy
beef
lunch.
soup, cornmeal dumpling, and yam.
All right. Okay. I know you did wallop sit down.
I'm you want to crisscross.
No. Rather, first of all, I never take my usual quantity, you know what I mean?
Him ask you a basin.
Hold on. You never take a usual quantity?
No, I never take the usual.
Wait. Who forget the bad pan?
I have compass. Compass usually the bad pan.
I don't say a bad pan you drink your soup.
No, man, because I see Devon rise a thing a while ago. I think I beat him, I go beat him, and I keep shaking. I said, no. A compass rolling away.
You remember when, what the mix up with Muma, with the other person, what the brother did name again from South? When you again?
The artist dude.
Yeah,
Roach.
when you again?
The Roachy dude.
Roach. And Roach says, some gal a hot gal and I mix them cool in a
bad pan.
Yo, I'll know that's a shot, you know. I'll know that's a shot.
Go see them. Hey, and I get us a shackleberry fin.
Yes.
Go see them a mix.
Roach say, yo, Raga, them the girl down on the body, them go them dance a funeral and I sell cheese tricks of people. Anyway, it's an old school Thursday. I think I kick it up. DJ Chris Cross, you're the boss. Get cross. You see it. And on truth.
Present to you the originals Kartel Concerto.
Chris Cross, you're out there, you go hard. Manala, you go hard. People, it's about 11 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Let me tell you something. Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so. You see it. Okay, and for can you believe it? We're in the nation of Germany. That's in Western Europe, Germany. And today's Can You Believe It is titled Dead Wrong. Dead wrong. Listen to Mixup, people. A woman declared dead by a doctor was found to be alive when undertakers were about to put her in a coffin on her way to the chapel of rest. Martha Schmidt, 67 years old, had collapsed at her home in Landsberg, Germany, and been diagnosed as dead by medics after her husband called 999. But as undertakers were preparing to take her to their morgue, one noticed she was still moving and called back the paramedics. I don't know what these young doctors get taught these days, but moving is something a dead person definitely shouldn't be doing, said one of the funeral directors. Hospital staff said Smith is recovering from a stroke. Again, people, you understand? I could see what going on here now. A woman collapsed and dropped down. Her husband, 67-year-old woman, collapsed and dropped down. Her husband was a boom and called 999. That is film version of 119 and 911 and thing. And when the doctor and the medic them forward and them check out the woman, them say she dead. Them do them doctor thing, them do whatever them do, and pronounce the woman dead. Call the undertaker them for go and take out the body. The car go back at the funeral parlor. When the undertaker then come and put her in a coffin now, them notice a little bit of movement go on right there. I said, no sir, call back them so-called doctor here. Call them back. When they come back, lo and behold, the woman who was pronounced dead by qualified doctors or whoever they are is alive, was alive. Prompting one of the funeral directors, again, this is what the funeral director said, I don't know what these young doctors get taught these days, but moving is something a dead person definitely shouldn't be doing. Why, Chris Cross, Michelle, you see when people hear them something, hey, them things are traumatic, you know why? When people hear them things, people say, yo, I wonder if Auntie Joyce did. No, them things are crazy, car. Yeah, but only for people keep back and I say, I wonder if Granny did really dead, do I? I would just do the doctor.
Yeah.
No, them things are traumatic for a certain level, you know. Because enough people don't remember when doctor say, yeah man, I want a dead thing in a coffin and thing. And probably the person dead after them going in a coffin. I know it's troubling for some people and thing. But it's a frightening thing where we have to face right now. Mm-hmm. How many can you believe it's have we read where doctors misdiagnose people as being dead and them never dead and people find out them alive? It's troubling.
Yeah. Even the same brother they would eat in a cup. Even the one down our country there. Even in Jamaica, you say that.
Right in Jamaica, the one that said the man dead to Rasi. And police. And the police.
And see what eventually dead there.
Yeah, well, and the police never carry gas to that all the year was. Police said, who could have car from there? When them look, now some man sit down up. People, the police, they take for themselves and run like thief. Police, they run go fight some people. People about to help the police. The guy police, they never did even go back. You can't imagine the people have done that to the officer, you have your gun, and the officer say, gun, why? You know, say, I don't pay. What do you? No, sir. No, but you know, you have these doctors, you wonder what kind of really serious mistakes doctors make and get away with it and nobody not really know.
Yeah, and because them a doctor will just take it as gospel, you know what I mean?
No. Well, here you have it, people. Again, a woman a collapse and drop down and her husband called hospital and rated and them come and pronounce the woman dead and send for the funeral parlor and whatever. Emily, crisscross.
Yeah, man.
What you say? Oh yeah,
in, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. You said that? Can you believe it? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You said that? Can you believe it? Thing where you hear play when can you believe it come in and when it go?
Yeah.
You know, say Ian didn't make it.
For real?
Yeah, man. When she did that work over New Star, over Big Yard, she didn't make it for long years ago.
Oh. Cool.
Years ago, she didn't make it. And we keep it after she cut and whatever for years, and you know we did and we come over here and we book up on her over here again and our creation there see them here. You see it. When you're good, you're good. You see it. There's not last, it last. Yo people, we can't find champagne a cool up the thing, but Leneesha ready for a clash. So if anybody knows that them can clash Leneesha, good, and thing I have the talk for clash Leneesha. We want to give you a call as quick as possible. Again, we can't find champion. Champion a run from the clash. Champion I hide from the clash.
Champion nah bubble.
Champion nah bubble. Champion nah bubble. That champion is flat. When the cork the bus nothing up pour it just turn up so.
It dilute
like water. Yeah, no dilute look a bit of straight water.
As get the people that say no fizz.
No fizz, you see. When no fizz. So if anybody want clash champion, make we know we want somebody for clash champion. And don't call in for giving a mix up right now. Don't call in for giving a mix up right now. If you are calling right now is regarding clashing with Leneesha. Somebody for clash Leneesha. If you know so you can clash Leneesha and done Leneesha and sit now, call in for the get to the beat, cuss out, clash. But a different no Emily.
Yeah.
You know, so some people don't know the importance. Like when you share food, food for need, man. Food for need.
Yeah, for real. Enough for look plaka.
Some people do some things that don't just upstore me. Yeah, some people like if them I give vegetable, them I mix up your vegetable with your food and what.
Don't.
You know, see, that's a little thing with me. I don't know. Some people, it's probably not a big deal to them. But it's when me and my vegetable must be on the side of the plate. Don't put it on the top and sprawl it out over.
Yeah. Even with gravy, you know, gravy shouldn't be on the rice. It must there, right which part of the meat there. And then it's like the person.
You must ask. Some people must ask, but you must. You're right though. You must put it aside and give the person the option for put it over the rice or put it over the dumpling and banana or whatever thing. But John was there. You go someplace, some people are share some food and I'm not share that. I'm going like a prisoner.
It's like them want to put the dumpling pan, the yam pan, the chicken.
Yeah, them not organize the thing right, man. Yeah, and the banana must always neat and grown in the half circle.
And the dumpling for just the right and the curve of the banana.
Some people turn them banana back way and that don't even sound right. Some people turn, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The banana, the banana curve.
Mm-hmm.
And the curve them are good. And we all know so the curve will go in. Oh, Jesus, that no.
We go to the news right now.
The curve must go in, man. You cannot share banana and the banana curve out. It's like the banana want to go somewhere. Like the banana want to leave your plate and thing. You understand? Them little thing that you grew up with, them thing that you see every day. And you take it for granted. But when you go someplace and somebody turn around your banana, you realize that the thing not right. Don't turn around the banana. Yeah, make a break out of the people.
My turtle is broke.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Okay, people, we actually have 3 people for the cuss out, get to the beat clash today. And each person going to just essentially tell me why things are going for them and why the other person who them a clash with pop down. Again, each person going to tell me why things are going for them, why them are the hotness about the place, and why the other person pop down. We have Leneesha and the whole of them are piano. The whole of them are piano. But before, we have Leneesha and we have somebody named Frey. Leneesha and Frey. All old school Jamaicans remember that term, the Frey. So we have Leneesha and Frey, but we have one other person in the class where we have actually start the class with that person there. After me read the email, and that person is none other than Tambourine, none other than Kartel Brown. Yeah. We're going to kick off the class with Kartel Brown and Leneesha and then bring in Frey. No, hold on. You know what? We're going to kick it off with Leneesha and Frey and then bring in Kartel Brown. As something organized. We kick off the class with Leneesha and Frey and we're going to make them talk one at a time. We don't want too much people to talk. We talk punchline for punchline so that people can hear the lingua. You understand? Then we bring in Kartel Brown and see what go on and take either cuss out here. I got a feeling about it. But before we do that, let's read some email. Yes, man. Rich, See how excited. I them think then, watch ya. People ain't can catch a fire like, whoa. Everybody can catch a fire. When I'm ready for that clash, Papa Jesus. Tens of thousands of people, Everybody, watch out, people in Marine South, man. Rap. Kimberly, she a Kartel, she a say already and thing and whatever. People are cheer for who them want cheer for. And thing Nelly, Sway, Ragashanti, Abs, Kids, Cat and whatever. Big up the yarders, them up in the mix and thing, you see. J-Rap, Monique, Miss Lex, Glamour, Evil Edge, McLean, I love how you hold it, my girl. Lisa, good as Andre Malcolm, the whole of them, Rosemary, Monique, and everybody. Boom, bang, respect, Miss Lex and thing. Okay, I can read some email real quickly right now. First email, Raga, big up the girl from Port Antonio. We take her mother man and tattoo him name on her. The man fix her teeth, Raga, where our previous man lick out. But her mother dash her out and beat her. Right now, them in a court. Big her up cause she shot. Can you imagine your daughter take your man and tattoo you? Tattoo a man name on her. So, Mama, you have me, but me have your man. Mad. Next email, Raga, big up to your friend. My friend. Raga, big up to your friend. We breed for the married man. And when the wife find out and go to her workplace, she lock herself in the bathroom for more than 4 hours while the wife has searched everything in the office. My friend. Well, you need to tell me how, pinch me and tell me how. Next email. Dear Raga, it's snowing here like crazy, but I must let you know, I so look forward to your show in the days to keep me cracking up with laughter. We are all aware that you have a Ph.D., and no, I am not talking about permanent head damage. I find you to be very hilarious and so entertaining. I consider myself conservative, and your show has opened my eyes extremely to being street smart. I thank you. Continue to make us live, laugh, and learn. A fan in Toronto, Canada. Next email, Raga, big up to the girl from Washington Gardens. We talk about she a Christian, but now she a breed and she don't know which Rasta man are the father. What? Next email, Raga, big up to the pastor man who breed his friend school daughter. And when it bust out, him say, on a theme, I feel one of him son. This happened in St. Mary. Somebody give me the details, man. That send me names in the email. I want to update the file. Next email, Raga. A woman with a 7-week-old pregnancy is called an embryo, not a fetus. 7-week-old. Okay. Next email, Raga. Big up to the brother. Big up to my brother. We make a fat girl can him and say she a breed. He must send on crazy money for the girl. Me say, Raga, every time the boy get paid, she sick. And I saw the boy, I flush out the money and give her like him baby frightened. Raga, big up to my baby mother over Trinidad. Tell her to go and get her education and go and wash up the thing with the cake soap and keep it tight. Tell her to hurry up and done and come back. Big up yourself, Raga, cause you're large from the Wizkid. Wizkid, big up yourself and your baby mother at Trinidad and people here. People that say cake soap used and bleach. Well, anybody in a ghetto know for a long time said the Blue Bomber cake soap used to something else. We will not elaborate. Hallelujah. How that door they had for open so mud. Next email. Hi, Raga. Tuesday, them catch a gal a thief from an Empire supermarket at Portmore Pines. She come out with $3,000 worth of goods, Raga. All Red Bull. Raga, the girl say, our baby should take the things them for. And the pampers and the items, we could have made them see with her. We could have made them see with her. She really baby stressed. This happened early in the morning, about 10:30 a.m. One woman did have put her grand so them could let her go. But everybody decides if she should go jail. So the police then put her in the car and wheel her with her. Raga, I know the crushing where she do, as them call it. But at the Red Bull where she take make everybody attack. No, you can't go in a supermarket and say, yeah, thief a baby and thing and whatever, and you come out with Red Bull. And she don't ever relate to the Red Bull the right way, because when she see the police come, she should have said, Red Bull give you wings and fly. Anyway, all right, people, a clash time. Well, I will root you, say right, yes or no. Well, no, man, Papa Jesus, the clash gone global. All Atlanta running, what I do? Okay, root, bring in Leneesha and Frefre first. Make Kartel Brown win. Leneesha, you there? We call it Get on the Beat. We call it Cuss Out, Cuss Out. A clash sitting us in. And when I respond to one, join the clash. You see it? Okay, and today, in the red corner, we have Leneesha. And in the other corner, we have Free. Leneesha, up on the line.
That's it, I guess so.
All right, Leneesha, you did it. Free, you're up on the line.
Yes, I'm on the phone.
Oh, Free.
Yes, I'm on the phone.
All right. Leneesha and Frefra, listen to the rules. We're not going to talk one at a time because we don't want to two on that talk at the same time when people can't hear on us. Once somebody drop them punchline, the next person drop them punchline. You understand? And listen up. Basically, we're not going to talk why things are going for uno and the other person and nothing are going for the other person. We want creativity, we want vibes, we want energy. We want the thing shelled down, we want the thing turn up. You understand? Leneesha, kick it off and done Frefra right now.
Raga make him go on first, Raga.
All right, Frefra, kick it off and done Leneesha right now.
Apparently Frefra don't, whatever her name is, don't know what to say. But the thing about a bring down is that you don't have to know anything about anybody. Just say, no, don't drag your words. I just sound like a doormat. I don't believe anything is going on for you just living off of this one lul, living on this big lul land, living off of this hype when I really are gone away. Maybe so you're hook up in somebody's apartment, renting, not even renting, out sitting, dusting and cleaning, and nothing is going on for you.
All right, make we hear what you say, Leneesha. Them say you dry, you want like a doormat, you probably eat up in a people's apartment and nothing are going. Talk up louder now, give us some energy, Leneesha. Done him.
Monkey Berry Ferry, you just sound right. You come like you come like, oh my God. No. Sorry, you don't sound good never. You don't sound good. You come like one big citadel. You big ring or me look somewhere nice, clean, bad you have one for me, love. A US account you have, and I ask Christ about it. When I hear about you, I tell that ring about you, gunshot now bust about you, the clubbers now bust about you. And you are there up at camp here, the dumping gears. When I hear about you, now going to be a pop down. You look like he's Alice old ways. You see a bar. You know.
Hold on there. Leneesha, what kind of wig him look like? What kind of wig?
He did Alice old ways. He did Alice old ways.
No, Frefra. Leneesha, do your bad a while ago. Talk up the things and answer.
It's not me she talk to. It's somebody else.
Are you she talk? Answer.
No, it's not me she talk. Guess what? She's looking at a reflection of herself. Because guess what? She could never talk to me. Because number one, even if her heel is also wig, it's a weird don't. But she in a something now weird. She come like something where Michael Jackson would have put on. She come like say she did drop down somebody else's staircase and pop her heel string. That girl don't know nothing. You have to sit down. You talk about how people this and I talk about that. Let's not get into all that. Let's talk about this. You don't have no hype. You is nothing. Your guitar string will bust down, pop down, car crash with you, and guess what? Nothing to do you because you come like Matrix. You come like when time the train did crash, Kendall did crash, and then can't find nobody. Use nobody. You only come for Raga, try to build up a look of hype where you not got. Thank God for Raga. Raga, show yourself you can come for radio. Go see your face and mark up for your Shrek. You come like you train on a treadmill and take you out back. Don't do it, girl, if you don't know to play the game. And don't come and come to style nobody because you're nothing. You'll never be anything. And
all right.
Life. Elevate yourself by licking your way to the top.
Whoa. Oh!
All right.
Oh! Anyway, okay, all right, Leneesha, answer Frefra now.
You look like a Rapunzel, the body dolly, like a kaba. You already, you pop down like the World Trade Center, you don't look good, and you have to about all people, so you should think that we don't think that one for me, can never use account. When you have show your 6 figures, you say things that go on for you, that go on for you, but they be angry yourself, they look like money return, you don't feel good, you don't look good, you come on the card, you're big and stay back on the road, you're big on the road. Yeah, you're damn right, so me look like, what should me look like? Me look like the Rapunzel, of course. The one where in a new cartoon that come out, so she look fabulous. Yeah, the one that me look like, but guess what? You have about US account, $1 US can open up an account. I have one with over $10,000 US. What do you have? 2 cars and I overlook some beach. I have a property that overlooks some beach in Jamaica. What do you have? You have nothing. I now have a landscape designer company that's up and popping and doing very well. What you have? You sit down and get some beaten by some overweight, pop down all. Trust me, you won't even like to know. By some old somebody like you. What you have? Nothing.
Leneesha, make we hear you answer now. Let me hear you make answer now. The final answer for Leneesha before we go to Kartel, bro. Leneesha, answer and talk up here now.
All closed government, and I tend to use me a valley, and 20,000 or more. My sugar daddy send me a month in Sam. So you have to talk to me.
But I'm not a man, you. I put it here all by myself.
Readable. JN know about me, the government know about me. But pay my taxes, the government know about me. Say, come down to me, come down to me. The government know about me.
Yeah, the government know about you, of course. Because all the police pick you up off the road.
You have to talk to the Sorry. You don't look old, how you don't feel good. They look like some long-time national truck. They come like Spanish truck and they're tough and ugly. You don't feel good.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Frefre, I know your time, Frefre. I know your time.
I'm tired just to go. Flush like a bad apple. Yeah.
Leneesha, is that toilet you flush a while ago?
Yeah, but just for showing up a toilet. But me start coming down here and just ask something I go out here.
All right. Well, on then. Frefre. All right, Frefre. Just cool if you're a bit right now. Bring in Kartel, bro. Kartel, bro.
Hello.
Kartel, bro, in the building, man. Boy,
them a worry and me a hurry, Raga. That me say.
Yo, me say. The talk shot. Anyway, Kartel, bro, you know we enjoy. No, man, you take me sister your Facebook account max out and thing you have to open the next one and be things. But anyway,
I mean,
Kartel, bro.
About it.
Yeah, man. But hear the
thing. We cut the small talk and we get right down to business because I don't have time to waste.
All right. Yeah, you have a class with Leneesha. Leneesha.
Yeah. Drag queen. It's be a drag queen and transvestite. You come put me on today.
No. Hold on, Kartel, bro. I told the class did schedule for a long time. That's why I them. So by next week, I could have been somebody else. But I just saw it set for last week, you know?
Oh, well, let me deal with the drag queens and the transvestite them first.
Deal with Leneesha.
Hold on there, Raga. Let me talk, please.
Yeah.
Leneesha, the same Leneesha will get deported from South Beach and get deported back to Jamaica because she walk up and down as drag queen on South Beach. The same Leneesha that?
The same one, Kingsley.
Lad, Leneesha, me hear about you. You think you have 5 years. You're a bossy sufferer. Leneesha.
So that is
a bossy sufferer, Raga. Now make you come frighten you.
All right, Leneesha, talk up the Kartel, bro.
Kartel, those people stay bad. Pay all actresses on Facebook. Those that Kartel, the winter beat here in England.
Me say, that Leneesha there, she has sent me bare inbox message on Facebook. She and her broke down Benz. Raga, me too cute. She take up Leneesha and her broke down Benz. I push round broke down Benz, Leneesha. What do she?
Other Benz, I drive a X7 or X10 upwards. But I drive Benz, I uncapped the pan of push England. They are also say, for the clothes in England for us because I uncapped their post. England, I move up the world, London.
Answer that, Kartel.
Kartel, you look like Harry Potter, mother. You look like Harry Potter, mother. You do look good. You look like me.
You look like Harry Potter, you look like your avatar. You ever see
Hold on. Kartel, bro. Leneesha say you look like Harry Potter, mother. Answer that, Kartel. Answer that.
I'm supposed to... Oh, no, let me talk. I'm supposed to look like Harry Potter, but she favor aviator. Aviator worse than Harry Potter, mama. At least I have broomstick. She have nothing to travel upon. A bus should take, at least me take broomstick and travel. I boat and fly, I boat on my broomstick. I want Leneesha travel pan, Leneesha travel pan eels, broke down eels where she mash up. I use tip for all them back. She can't chat me about clothes. Leneesha take bin liner, bin bag and make dress out of bin bag. I want to wear.
You done?
What do you and your plastic dress then?
Kartel. I don't want to turn you some you go shop. I don't want to turn you some you go fuck you go shop for your fashion. You will not hear about you, Kartel. I try to put it buy your cheap and clean clothes them, Kartel. I'm not hear about you. You know we're Gucci and Armani. You know we're Louis Vuitton. I'm not hear about you. I'm not hear about you.
Leneesha.
Leneesha. Yes, I want to bring the news about you. Let's have a Leneesha. Have a good Leneesha. Yeah, Leneesha travel pamphlet, Leneesha the tech boss, darling. Leneesha the tech boss. So come good again.
If you're bad girl, spell Louis Vuitton for we. Make we hear you spell Louis Vuitton.
They're bad girl.
Louis Vuitton, Leneesha, spell it out.
Meet the African clock to turn on the clock and show you what
time Leneesha, nobody go on Google and look for the name.
You come like one steer by drag queen when you're America.
We need you to spell Louis Vuitton for we.
You come like one chihuahua, one white chihuahua.
Leneesha, a beer vegetable I grow upon you, beer cabbage I grow upon you, under you and all kind of these things. All of these green plants just I grow out of you. You see about compost, what do you? You can't chat to me. No man no want you, Leneesha. You're old and you're redundant. You're in a retirement home. Them a push you around in a wheelchair on a halfway tree. Go ahead.
Kartel, listen. Man want me, man need me, man rejects you. Yeah? Man rejects you like a
I want to Leneesha and our care assistant. You know, I'm no man, a care assistant.
If your man see you, your man wants you, and me outside with my melody, I need to tell you
one at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time.
Full of swine flu, Raga. She full of swine flu. Man, I push her around in a wheelchair. She sick. Lord, many people them send her some medication. She need a sponsor.
You need a sponsor. You need US air. You need US air. You need US air.
All right, voila.
You carry a frown smell. You come like a man of
them say cake, but me them know I me bake the cake.
Nice.
Hold on, contestants, hold on. But just before we go to the break, I ask the people and make them voting and thing. Leneesha, I feel no way still, but you would ask if you spell Louis Vuitton, you know?
Yeah.
Leneesha?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, him did ask if you spell Louis Vuitton, you know?
Him asked me to what?
To spell Louis Vuitton. You want to spell it, or you just want to ignore it?
I'm not ignoring him, Raga. I need to spell it for Raga.
Okay, you don't want to spell it for him?
No, Raga.
All right, then. How are you, sir? All right, people. Want to run in with the voting right now. Run in with the voting. Kartel Brown and Leneesha. Kartel Brown and Leneesha. Kartel Brown and Leneesha. And thing. Want to run in with the voting. We have to check all of the wall them. And we have look for the text them and thing. And we know some people are calling and shout out. It was Frefre, Kartel Brown and Leneesha. Frefre, Kartel Brown and Leneesha. And I cuss out, clash right here. So no. Kartel Brown say, I'm bossy sufferer. Leneesha talk up some things, woman. I lie. Leneesha talk up some things. So I want to run in with the voting right now. We're going to look a break and when we forward, we're going to talk up the thing them and see who really take that clash here today. We're soon forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things
Okay, welcome back. Let me start. I'm going to start over the others. Them status blinks Leneesha, dance Leneesha, Miss Lexa, Kartel Brown, just cause Leneesha never spell the Louis V. Katie Goodas Leneesha, Monique Leneesha, Georgia Pete Rosemary Leneesha, Andre Malcolm Leneesha, Status Bling Leneesha, Derek Leneesha, Kim Sterling, Kartel Take It Today, Lisa Leneesha, Bowleg Bobby, Lisa Gooda say Leneesha, Duff Penguin say Kartel, Ebony say Leneesha, A1 lover Leneesha, and things. So over Mixup yard, it's pretty much Leneesha take it over. Them say win over this. But we see what going on AC wall. Jody and So Blessed Taylor say Leneesha, Angela will be Leneesha. Pick up the New Jersey ladies, Jella. Tony Fox say Kartel Brown. Kartel Brown take it, I think, yeah. Tommy Good Girl Neil say Kartel Brown to the world. Him go hard, him did mad. Kartel Brown mad sick, ain't no good. Him a cuss be a bad word. Colin Shaw say Kartel. Derek McDonald, it draw. Him say it draw, and even Fred done champion, because champion a turn up. Nettie Bonisha say Kartel. Renee Campbell, Leneesha. Natasha Bill, it's a tie. Katie good as Leneesha. Miss Keys good up Leneesha. Jody and So Blessed Leneesha. Yeah. Good. Opal McDowell said Vibes Kartel. Oops, sorry, I meant Kartel Brown. She's making jokes right there. Leneesha seemed to have the edge, but Kartel Brown doing much stronger there on the AC wall. Let's see what the fan wall say, right? Let's see what the fan wall say. Tia Shanti say Kartel. Lorraine Douglas say Kartel. Stacey and Wright say Leneesha. Cleopatra Jones Carlisle was upset that Leneesha didn't spell Louis V. Sabrina Phillip say Kartel straight. Jody Good Life Edition Thomas say Leneesha. Can't talk to them people with them long name up on Facebook. Just a case, say Kartel Brown win. Burley So Blessed Brown Kartel. Shanna Harris Leneesha. Christian Perez Mendez Leneesha. Sophia British Kartel Brown to the flipping world. Latoya Cooking your friends Kartel Brown to the world. C Maxi Gold Leneesha win. Trevany White Kartel. Shade Wilmot Kartel. Simone Excellent Good Clark Griffiths Kartel take it to him. Maria Lopez, I don't know what she said. Shamil Everclean Fearless Leneesha. Leneesha again. Alicia Brown Creary Leneesha. Alicia Anderson Leneesha. Love Dr. Tomlinson Kartel Brown. Barbie Carter Kartel Brown and thing. Emily, based on all of that, who you based on the response of the people, who you say take it?
Honestly, like, I put it that way, Leneesha was consistent because she had cussed from when she had cussed Frefre, you see me? So, like, it was a stiff competition between Leneesha and Kartel, but why would I say Leneesha win is because she win with Frefre. Because she done Frefre, but it did really tight with she and Kartel. You understand? So she have the edge there, so. Well, she have the edge there, so.
All right. Chris Cross, who you say take it, Cross?
Chris Cross run on the other side.
Run on the other side, all right. Chris Cross, so I get involved in that one.
Oh, man, no, would have said tight.
Yeah. That's probably not a word you want to use right now.
No, but you know what I mean, because for real, Leneesha did done Frefre, so you know.
No, Leneesha done Frefre.
Yeah, and because Kartel never really have that much time to talk like, oh, Leneesha did done Frefre. But with the competition, when the two of them they start talk, it really tight, like them that got at it, you know. So why give Leneesha the edge because him did done Frefre. In my opinion.
What I would say is that Leneesha done Frefre.
Yeah.
When Kartel Brown and Leneesha did that class, Kartel Brown come on strong. But Leneesha was consistent.
Yeah,
every time Leneesha talked, Leneesha had some sample talk. There were 1 or 2 times Kartel Brown would have said something I would never really hear no punchline.
Yeah.
You know, some people are upset with me, whatever. I just tell them what I know. This is just my opinion. Feel free to disagree. Again, Leneesha done Frefre, but when Kartel Brown clash with Leneesha, Kartel Brown come out strong and they have some good punchline. But every time Leneesha talk, Leneesha come out with some good punchline. Every time it was Leneesha's turn, Leneesha come with some good punchline.
Yeah.
And let's be honest.
Yeah.
And well, if people did want Kartel Brown, I
Yeah.
expect Kartel Brown to come out wicked and thing and just down the place. But that's how the class go. You know, we can have an next
Yeah,
one
man,
and thing and mix it up.
Leneesha say, come on, bring you out a half a tree and turn the clock down for you and show you what time it is.
can't remember the talk. Them. I tell Leneesha they drop some talk. They catch me off guard. I said, no, them talk the shot. I just threw me a play. And people want to hear me talk. I try get more energy in the thing. Because somehow, some people listen, man. Yeah, whatever. Paul Burnett and them. I try get energy in the thing to make them, it's a cuss out class. And, I try get, hype up person and tell them what the other one say.
Yeah, boost them. Supplement them up, yeah.
Yeah, supplement up and
yeah.
thing. I might roll that and count on what to say. When clash are going and it's a shell down, me not say nothing. But sometimes when my sister like it needs some energy, we will try to instill it and thing and whatever. See? So when you hear me attack, just bear with me when I try to get it going. When I cuss out clash them are going. But some sample talk that I can't remember them right this minute.
Bossy sufferer did act me like that.
No, yeah. None of that me tell when Kartel Brown come out and say, my bossy sufferer. I'm sitting. No, but you know what's the Kartel Brown have Leneesha file right away.
Yeah. Kartel of Leneesha file. And Mama tell you, I'm not gonna lie.
I think I can't him did I dry.
No, man, him know the things.
No, I think I can't. I think I saw my Kartel Brown and make up and say, you want to see him Leneesha when I'm deport from Miami? And Leneesha start laughing and I say, yeah, whatever, me see him.
Yeah. But nah, like Leneesha go on good, but my have to give Kartel him props say a British youth. But nah, lie. Him go hard.
And him hold it.
And him hold it. Yeah. But nah, lie, him go hard. But Leneesha win, man.
Hey, all right. So it goes. So give thanks to the class and thing. Everything is everything. Cleopatra Jones, Carla, whatever. Anyway, here we go. We are going to the phone line right here. We are going to the phone line right here now. We are going to the phone line. Go to the phone line. Pregnancy mix-up, or any other sample mix-up. Want to have and think, and know the things set. We want some nice little vibes up in the sitting. Talk up the things them. We don't want a boring mix-up and thing. We want some shell-down mix-up. I remember when you can't call in and get any mix-up. We don't get any mix-up we don't want to get. We just have a topic where we run with, but if we don't have any other sample mix-up, if we don't have any funeral mix-up, wedding mix-up, if we don't have any school mix-up, if we don't have any market mix-up, police mix-up, soldier mix-up, doctor mix-up, liar mix-up, church mix-up, pastor mix-up, anything. We don't just call in and rinse out the things. You understand? We used to mix up right here, so and think I want to laugh, learn, and grow at the same time. But if you rinse out, mix up on somebody, don't call them name. I don't cuss no bad word, right? Don't say nothing nasty and disgusting for the people in Bossy Radio. And think we're going to get you in trouble and make the dirty people them come fling on the show. You understand? So on the control on yourself when you attack. All right? And do remember, if it don't use any information, but we can, identify one person. Again, don't use any information where we can identify one person. Just so be careful when you attack and sit. All right? Okay. What we doing now? Okay, straight to the phone line. No? Straight to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, talk up loud.
Yeah, that girl, I want to big her up.
Who?
That girl, Ruth. That boy, All right.
Ruth. Yeah, big up Ruth. All right, Papa. So what you say differently,
I'm good at hours, man.
Well, I eat that.
Job,
Oh, all right.
Yeah, man, that's why it's going, Especially
all right. All right, Papa. Ruth, when you admire them like you have a thing, you can't just hold a small private talk with them. You don't have to put them on the ear. You see? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Whoa.
Hello.
Yes,
hello.
Greetings. Yes, hello.
Yes, Reggae, with say Kartel Brown.
Yes, sir, Kartel Brown, take it.
Yeah, because
all right.
The other one could have spelled Louis.
All right, let's say a word, all right? Bless up on thing, yeah? All right, people, a mix-up one now. We're done with the clash and thing, all right? We know that some of us still have opinions, and perhaps you would like to share your opinions as to who won and so forth. But as a mix-up one, you know. Here, wrote some mix-up. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah. All right, people, a mix-up one.
We have a radio. Cut off the caller. We are here radio. Roti, come on. 3 caller. Come. Good afternoon. Hello. Chris Cross, come.
Busy.
Manos.
I'm so busy.
Chris Cross, play some music. Yeah. Okay, we're back. What happened, people, that the phone line was filled with people who, all 8 lines were filled with people who wanted to talk about the clash, and it overwhelmed Ruthie and so forth and things. But all right, we're good. We're back on track right now. A Mixup we're going to talk about, people. Mixup we're going to, perhaps next week, if when the clash them go on good, we'll give you a look at time to talk about the clash before we go to the Mixup. But for now, for this week, let's go to the Mixup them now. All right? So if you're calling now, it's all about Mixup. It's all about Mixup. Saying pregnancy Mixup or any other sample Mixup and thing. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yes, Raga. I'm a pastor Mixup, forgive you.
Pastor Mixup, sinner.
Yeah. I was going to this church. Just think of the church that the most stigma is attached to. Nothing else.
Church?
You must know which church that.
Where the most stigma is attached to. Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
I hear them talk about it everywhere you go.
Yes, man.
All right. I go to the church and after
Watch
a while...
it, me just throw a rock off for your mind, it lick you.
After a while, I get sick.
Yeah.
Medication could help and a bag of things, woman problem. You know, so from time to time, women go through some things.
Right.
I say to someone at the church, and them say, talk to the pastor. When I talk to the pastor, I got the man pray for me. And the man say, come back so and so time. When I go back so and so time, I say the man, I ask somebody at the church for his number, and I call him. Anyway, now come. Somebody pray for me, and I never have no money. I'm going to take my last year till I go to church. Anyway, I walk go home now. Go to far distance. I say, I walk. When I walk, I see the man, him offer me a drive. I say, fine, I'm the pastor.
Right.
Take the drive, brother. The man, I see the man start move funny. So I say, what is this? The man going to tell me, say, if me want my healing, me have to start him out.
You serious?
Serious, Raga. My heart nearly jumping on my mouth. Him say, I going to use, I going to put the consecrated oil, perfume instrument, start me out of easy, Raga. I couldn't believe.
Well, the pastor said, him going to put the consecrated oil, the very holy water, perfume instrument, and then after I put it on the instrument, I'm going to start you out, and that will heal you.
Yes, Raga. I'm look like the get there.
Tambourine! No, I know why you think so. I support them just. You know, so when we do that, we just big up the Mixup. No, that one that knew. The part, you are 60 girl, and you got to talk to your church brother. Them say talk to the pastor, you got to talk to the pastor. Pastor tell you come back and whatever, this and that. Serious problem.
Serious true thing, like a true thing.
Real serious thing. So you walk go home now from the church and whether you see the pastor stop. Say, my girl, right.
I'm going to take it, I'm going to say I'm a pastor, but never I'm going to advice before him. Before
exactly.
That, him.
And when you did it in the car.
I never even do want to talk to him because his situation is so personal. And the person I say, yeah, him talk to him and him will understand. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So I talk to him and that him tell me. I found my money and this and that and I
offer your money to
him. Yes.
He offer your money in the car and everything, no?
Everything.
So we really tell us if you want to get healing, he must put the consecrated oil on him. He must put the are you for put on the oil or him put on the oil?
He must put on the oil.
Him put on the consecrated oil on him instrument, sort you out, and that will make you get better, don't? And heal you very serious medical. Hey, that is what you call a holy instrument, you know? That is what you call the rod of correction, you know, man.
I couldn't believe.
Then, when him put them arguments to you and you in that car, right, you know, oh, you manage now, you don't start friend.
I get nervous. I'm nervous with them, Raga. I say, what is so God? I couldn't believe. I just frightened.
Wait, 1 second. Anyway, so oh, you come out of the car. What you do? What happen when you come out of the car?
I start cuss and go on, but I still at a distance far from home. And me cussing. Him like, him big and thick, you know, and him like, him come on to me. So me I say, oh, what is? And me I get nervous and scared. And like, he must start to reach to places, private places, and start play at the same time.
What that go? Say that again. What?
He start reach to places, private places, and start play at the same time, Raga. Start touching up and a pray.
What you mean him a touch you up and a pray?
Like,
you are cussing. You are cussing and a go on.
He might touch up and me a ease him off. But he might touch me up like sykes, and he might pray like I pray for the time that I feel him, I feel me up.
Oh, so like top part or bottom part? Top part.
Bottom part.
That bottom part and things. Yeah. So and him a drive, him still a drive.
Yeah. But I know how no crash.
so how it end up? So wait, so when him a reach over and a touch you up, him a pray at the same time.
Yeah. Like him a touch you, like him a say, whatever, leave our body and all kind of something. Every time they might please himself, I got everything in me. But so how you come up? I can't. I try to shoot him off, but I can't shoot him off, Raga.
So how you come out that car?
You know, like, you have thing that.
No, I want them only blow. Well, I want them blow in iPhone. The fan in here, you are blowing iPhone, so.
The fan is there, man.
Oh, you look like you are blowing iPhone, no. But go and talk. Yeah, so how you
come
out
the earphone.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a cause, yeah.
Yeah, I fight him off and eventually come out. Because they put on the auto lock or something like that on the car, so me can't pull it, I him have to pull it.
Oh yeah, when they lock all of the door them. Yeah. So then what him do? Him stop and then just let you out?
I start cuss and go on bad. And I tell him, I'm going to report him, and this and that and that and that. And so he let me out, and I want to pay him for daughter. He might push money for me. I never know how much money. I have a Kyle of money I give me. I'm walk on the feet.
He might get a Kyle of money and tell you say you're not for talk.
Mm-hmm.
And you walk on the feet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, but when you say the most controversial church, you actually have two of them that have a holy part. You have two churches at Jamaica that talk enough about, So, all right, I'm going to say something.
The one with them sell Licky.
All right, I'm going to say something and you just tell me which one. And you just tell me which one. And just listen carefully. Would I go university and would I chew a rock? Which one? Chew the rock?
University.
All right, don't say another word. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Then. But anyway, we're glad you're safe and thing. We're glad you never take the consecrated instrument. You don't get a piece of healing, they see.
And it was so convincing. Do you believe? You have to believe. You have to have faith. It will help you.
You have to believe. You must have faith.
I have to believe.
Okay. Yes, man, you have to have faith. Or else it won't happen, man. On the level where me there. You just feel like you can't do anything and get away with it. Anything and get away with it. And that Tiger Woods is it. And it's like a power. Unfortunately, politicians have it, pastors have it.
It's an overpower them.
Yeah, doctors, unfortunately, a lot of doctors abuse it because the people automatically give them this power. When people will question other people, them not question doctor, them not question pastor, them not question police kind of different right and thing. But if you're in a position of power, man, and them people are ready to talk up things about me, You understand? And thing, but a lot of that are going. They are intoxicated, drunk with the power. And them really, 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 it is just normal for them to do as them please with people. And they feel that they're entitled to do it. They really do feel like they're entitled to do it. It's a scary and eerie little thing on their part, Auntie, but you need to understand it on them levels. Blessings and respect, here?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
All right, cool. Consecrated tool, man. Yo, give me an next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm so nervous. Second time calling, but I don't want anybody to know my voice.
All right, that's okay. You can do it.
I have a mix-up here, Raga. I have this roommate, right?
Yeah.
She was my roommate, not anymore.
Right.
I have 2 boyfriends paying her rent. All her bills them. She's not working.
Right.
So she tell the 2 of them that she's pregnant. She said them no know for them one another, right?
Uh-huh.
And tell the one that she's pregnant and tell the one that she's pregnant. So them are minor and get the face. But you have one will come and she go at the other one house, right?
Okay, one come at your house and she go the other.
Right. And when the belly, that time she not pregnant, no Raga. She had the mini guy in a pill to stop her monthly thing. So when she took the mini guy and I think now we put her on weight pan her, and when she start look for the one that she put her mother's blouse and heat, whole for jerk pork and ice cream, Raga, and stuff like that. Go look for that one day, but well, later I don't know when the belly reaches 6 months now, the master the belly is supposed to be bigger. Hello?
Yeah, ma'am. I hear you, man.
The master the belly is supposed to be bigger. So when the belly reaches 6 months, she don't know what to tell them, say, oh. So our friend now go bust and tell the other man, say, she pregnant for her next man, for her next man down the road. The other man now come and say to her, and she say, you're mad, no, the man there, whatever. So anyway, she left. The other man must know saying baby mother go find out now, and she left that she go St. Andrew. When she left that she go St. Andrew, she called the man about 2 days after the man said she meet in an accident and bust the car where she in, and she lose the baby, and she done a hospital. She beg her one of her friend called, so the man knows that she go over the hospital. So his friend called him back and said them have her for revisitation. So probably she will come out later.
For resuscitation, right.
Yeah, so she will come out later. So by then the man I guess she come. So she spend about 3 days at the friend house and go over back. But she don't know the man baby mother. She know the man baby mother, but she never knows the man baby mother. See her friend and the man where she says she pregnant for baby mother her friend. So she tells her friend and her friend go back go tell the man baby mother. So the man baby mother don't know say I see her man she them that talk to, you know. So the baby mother go back go, you understand what I say?
Yeah, so the baby mother go back go do her now.
Go back go tell her man, so you know say XYZ pregnancy Raga, and she said she lose it and she in a hospital. So the man must be saying herself, so then now the same girl said she breathed for me and she lose the baby about 3 days ago. But you know telling woman say so it go, you know. I tell we say I so engaged we find out say when the woman come and I tell him say Ruthie pregnant for Raga, then he must say the Ruthie and say I see me pregnant for the whole after crisscross, you know.
So she have 2 men who she can.
Right.
But for her friend is a friend of the baby mother, one of the man.
Right.
So when her friend I tell the baby mother, she a tell her in reference to the other man.
Right.
And don't know say the man, oh Jesus, and I saw the thing reach back. Well on, you did done the mix up.
No, I saw the thing reach back now. So when the man...
Well on. We're going to just take a break and then read the news. I will come back and you finish it. Here.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our sitting. Welcome back up in our sitting. Now we is a mix up entertainment straight. Yes, Carla. So after that, brother, you know, indirectly got here what go on in terms of the conversation upon him. What did happen after that?
He called the girl and said he wants the girl. So So when
Yeah.
the girl go look for him now and the man say, you did pregnant? He said to the man, say, yeah. The man said, for who? He said, what kind of question? Not for you. The man said, see me? Then you know, tell me baby mother friend say, you're pregnant for that the man there, and whatever and baby mother come back and tell me. I know she don't know nothing. Hey girl, how you so lie? You did breach for me? That's what she had to do. So he say, yeah. And the man say, you see, if I never prison, right now me feel like I'm going to stab you up for your back and with a knife and police now I go see it. The girl said, she take off.
Well, and that him say, him tell her, say, him just do that. No, okay, go on, talk.
He tell her, say.
Got that. But I tell no more about no stuff, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, go on, talk, yeah.
So, the girl must run, left her shoes and something, come back and see her house. So about 1 week after the other man find out the story and lead the girl never pregnant. That's how the other man find out that the girl never pregnant and something. So Raga, two of them jump her like bad a bit. Life bad with her now. She still have the big belly. Because remember she that take the mini guy in her face, stop her floor and make her belly get big. She don't know what to do to reduce the big belly now. She still have the big belly. She never pregnant. So didn't know what news that. Eh?
Oh, man, but so wait, that thing that just make your belly get big naturally?
When you take the mini guy or the injection, it tends to make you put on weight and then your belly start get big and you start. You understand?
Oh, no, I mean, I really know them something, so you educate me, you know, so yeah.
Right, so she never pregnant, so she in order to in time she go with the man, then she not have no monthly thing, she take the mini guy every day, so it makes she start put on weight. So everybody feel like so she's pregnant for true, but when she say she carry the alarm so she lose the baby, the big belly can't go down back because she can't find nothing to make the belly go down back.
See it there? Crazy sitting. Anyway, bless up for that mix up there, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm fiery.
All right, then, enough respect. People, just before we go to the phone line, there's one thing I just want to put out there, and I want you to think about it. All right? And please, just give me a minute here. I want to know, say, the man at Phelps and Phillips inquiry are going on right now regarding the Dodo saga and whatever this and that. One of the, I don't know, it's a joke we run over here, sir. A joke we run over here, sir. We have mix up with over here, sir. We get a lot of learning, but we do it through mix up. But one of the things that come out of this man at Phelps and Phillips thing and whatever, we are hearing that the former government of Jamaica gave international powers, some so-called first world countries, they call name, you know, gave them permission to wiretap the phones of Jamaicans. Follow me, people. Other countries got permission to wiretap the phones of Jamaica, and the word spies were used. Because when this was revealed in the inquiry that is going on now, the countries explicitly said, make sure you protect our spies. So spies from other countries were given permission to wiretap the phones of Jamaica. And they explicitly said that they were allowed to wiretap the phones of Digicel, and what was then Cable and Wireless, which is now Line. I don't know the details of it, but I am publicly asking that I am well aware that the commission, that there are some things that cannot be revealed. I am well aware that apparently language exists in what is now referred to as Memorandum of Understanding regarding the permission given to do these things. That language is in there that's saying you must protect certain parties involved. Fine. Agreement must be honored. I think all I'm asking as a Jamaican is, can somebody, some journalist, please, nationwide, Cliff Hughes, or anybody else, whether Dion Jackson Miller, RGR, or anybody else, or even the people who represent us presently in the government, perhaps Darrell Voss can help us here. Could you just explain to the Jamaican people what were the terms governing this permission given? I don't know. I can assume that there were some guidelines put in place and some lines that you must cross. All I've heard so far is that when the People's National Party was in power and Peter Phillips was the National Security Minister, permission was given privately. The statement that the matter was not brought to Parliament for approval, I even hear that too. So it is something that was done privately. I am humbly asking, given that this is an unprecedented agreement, as far as I know, I could be totally ignorant on this. I am humbly asking, perhaps the former Minister of National Security, Peter Phillips, I don't know what kind of guidelines or how his hands are tied on this matter. Could just explain to us, please, what were the terms of the agreement? Because we don't know how far it was supposed to go. And people, if we don't really think about this thing, it's very, very serious. It's very, very serious. And there are all kinds of things can come out of it. We're not going right now. But it's extremely serious. That you can be using your phone and somebody, a foreign national, has permission to be spying on your phone and you don't know. For whatever reason, I'm just saying. People are asking me questions about it and I cannot answer it. I myself, I would kind of want to know under what circumstances am I using a phone when I'm using a phone in Jamaica. It's only reasonable that you know. And this thing is coming out now, and apparently it's been going on for many years now and things like that. So I'm just saying that I am publicly asking people to take up this matter and say, Wagwan, because a whole heap of thing attack now. A whole heap of something attack, all kind of thing attack about how this thing is being used in collaboration with who or what. And it is not good because there's an underground current there going right now and people nervous, there's anxiety, people just not sure. Some people don't even care. If you don't have nothing to hide, then fine. But a whole heap of people, to what extent? How far? If you know, say you did attack about your private affairs, about your family are foreign, or if you know, say you attack about, something to do with some medical thing, or what so and so they do, or you attack to a lawyer, a foreign, and all them things. I mean, can't go in that one bag of other things. You attack your lawyer privately, a foreign, but a certain matter. We need to know, how far this permission was given. And right now, I don't know. People ask me, I don't know. And things. So I just put that out there. And again, people, when I really think about this thing, it's a very, very serious thing. And some of them may think it not involved, and you're not frightened for no thing, right? Them have software out there, people, where if you use certain code word on the phone, your call is immediately brought up in a system and examined by people in certain places. We're not going into details of that. We're telling that about long time. So we just want to know what permission the government of my country that I'm a citizen of gave to whom and what were the terms of the permission. Specifically, how far was the permission allowing the spies to go? I think, listen, I'm entitled to know. With all due respect. I mean, I joke with you over here, but this is a worrying thing, trust me. Very, very serious. Very, very. I don't want to mix up and thing, but people bear with me. So, because if I really think about this, this is very, very, very serious. That this was done, we the citizens don't know about it. The people we elected to run the country, the parliament, the body, don't know about it. It was supposedly done private, and we don't know the terms of the agreement. Probably the terms are such that we have nothing to worry about, but tell us the terms. Very, very serious. Okay, so the phone line, we'll go back to the phone line. Pregnancy mix-up or any other sample mix-up. Pregnancy mix-up or any other sample mix-up. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Greetings.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, greetings.
Hello.
Yeah.
Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, a Kartel. Brown.
Kartel Brown, what you say, yeah?
Yeah, me just come out of the shower, come in, I forgot be it. Cause for me, I talk to what's your name, me just a itch, and I itch, and I itch. So me, I forgot run into the water and come back and get that mix up, yeah.
Send out the mix up the Kartel, bro.
Me say me day in my bed this morning, me say me catch an hour sleep, cause you know my Facebook, I pile up and I pile up. Me say, Lord, me need to
Hold on, Kartel, 1 second, time signal.
Full of flavor, full of fun. Reggae jamming friends for everyone.
Reggae jamming Frankfurters. Full of flavor, full of fun. Pick up a pack today. The time by Reggae jamming Frankfurters is...
It's 17 minutes after 3 o'clock. Kartel Brown, talk up piano, yeah. Mix up.
Yeah. So me day in my bed this morning. I'm just about for nod off and catch 2 hours sleep, Raga. Me say me see my phone a ring. So me say, but who call me at them hours, yeah. Me see the private number, so me say, me wonder who dead now. Cause private number call me at them hours. Somebody must dead.
Mm-hmm.
And who yeah? Me answer the phone. Me depend. Hello. Me hear. Kartel. So me say, who this? She say, me. Obviously, me can't call her name.
Right.
She say, me. Me say, who are me now? So she tell me her name. So me say, how you call me at these hours of the morning for a girl? One pillow. Hey, I got hear this now. She go to her house last night where she live with her man, but she come home from work early. No more than when she reach home now, she go catch the man in the yard with next girl. And the man apologized to her. The man beat her and asked her what she had to home from work so early.
Well, she live with the man. She there with the man, right?
Yeah. She live with the man.
She come up early to come catch it. Right.
Yeah. That's her stadium residence.
Yeah.
So she left from work now because she said she never feels too well. Well, it's about to get worse because she walk in and she catch the man with her next girl. So she said she create up little excitement. Someone say, what you mean you create little excitement? You go catch girl in your bed with your man and you create little excitement. But you know good about you create little excitement. She said the man jump up and start lick her in front of the girl. What a liberty that man there take a lick her in front of the girl. What he bring coming out of the woman bed.
And at that time, the woman where him live with?
That's the woman where him live with. So me say, where you there now? She tell me say she there in A&E. Me say, which A&E? She say she there in the hospital. I wait to see the doctor. Him look off her head, off of the door.
What you say?
So she say, she want me come look for you. Me say, you want me come look for you? Me say, is that doctor you need to come look for you? Because you are idiot girl. Because could I never me walk in and see somebody in my bed and me create little excitement. When me done in that house there, it come like Hurricane Ivan reaching there. Come here, turn the house upside down. So she just a ball and a ball on the phone, but what she fi do? And she want me go to the house, go pick up her clothes then?
No, you can't do that something. You can't, nothing at the eat or anything, whatever, man. No, you can't do that, whatever. But again, I could just see what going on. She live with her man, come home early from work, catch her man with woman in a bed and thing. The man turn around, beat her and ask her what she do home from work so early. Get her a fine weapon.
That's a liberty. Only a man must could make a man do all that.
And she end up in an A&E, and A&E mean accident and emergency. Other part, they end up in an as well, because mash up her head. No.
And me, she call, like she say me a doctor, like me can give her a brain scan. I shall call my for. Me don't hear them pass there because me don't want no girl to call my phone and they tell me say she going to the house and catch her man in bed the next woman and she create little excitement. Want her call my phone and say, lad, me create big excitement and big judgment and police and helicopter and everything.
One bag of sitting with that one with, don't it?
Them have forgot send in the army, them have forgot send in the navy or the Queen of England have for coming out of the house there to see what go on.
Okay. So she should not call you because you're not a doctor, you can't give her a brain scan.
Me am not a doctor, me not a gynecologist, me can't examine no part of her, none at all. She don't need a doctor, she need a psychologist. She need all a man like you know have your Ph.D. for come talk some sense into her. But I saw them girl go and ragga. If them man no beat them, they don't feel like the man love them. Them love take man beating.
Oh, you feel so? You feel that some woman love take man beating, them just like it?
Them just like the excitement and them just love the excitement. If them man not lick them, they don't feel like nothing not go on for them. Them are all cheer them for just go on. Me can't stand them. Them man to beat them every day.
Okay. So you ever hear them woman they talk about when them man a beat them in a way as if say them like it?
Yeah, them freak woman there.
No, but like, well on. When that woman a talk about when a man a beat them in a way as if say them like it. Like, what them say? What some of the things? Like, what them say and how them say? What them say?
Lad, sometimes them kind of say, lad, you know the one Trevor just beat me and box me down, but me not lie. Him fling something for me after me and him just enjoy the makeup sex. And the makeup sex, them a look for Raga. That's why them a take the beating. So them want the makeup sex after. And them want to make baby after them get beaten. You can't imagine them get beaten and them want to make baby. Them want to make baby drunk baby.
But you say, if them a make baby after beating, is a drunk baby them a make?
Yes. That baby them must... You say, Raga, then if your man a beat you, and then you go make love to the man, and then you go have baby. Something must wrong with that baby there. That baby must come out like Leneesha.
Oh!
But Raga, one thing me I tell them say, see them clock stop, but see me clock still at TikTok. Them a run pan battery. Me not run pan battery. Oh.
Yeah, where you run pan?
Me a run pan life. Me a run pan ambition. Me a run pan progress. Leneesha talk about dollars, but I me a talk about pounds. And lots of pounds and cash and stock and pile.
All right, Kartel, bro. That's a word here.
I pick up all of the people them on the wall straight. Me know say the whole of Jamaica or hurry and I left them a worry. Them some of them a
Kartel.
But me a walk and upset them. Me a upset them, Raga.
All right. Large up yourself, Kartel, bro. Your teeth look a little tired.
Later.
All right, Kartel, bro. Mad sitting. Ay, boy. This is sure, yeah. Crazy. Here we go. Good afternoon. Pregnancy Mixup or any other sample Mixup. Kartel. So we shall call me for me. A doctor, I can't get a brain scan. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Raga. Big up Ruthie. Because I like what you answer when anyway, I kind of look like I first I call it still.
Yeah.
We have one pregnancy Mixup figure, right? It happened about 2007. I was pregnant then.
Yeah.
And the person did pregnant, but they never pregnant, a matter of fact, because they take time. So she have this man and a young boy, a big woman still enough. She have this young boy in her 30s and she did in her 40s. Like about 30 and she like 45 so. But she take time. So she can't have no more kids. But because him don't get any and she love him, she will want to give him one, you know. Anyway,
right.
she tell him say she pregnant, right? And him have his mother foreign and him call him mother friend and his mother send baby clothes to her and she got a clinic. And you see when you see her, she push out her belly. And I don't know how she do it. She push out her belly and make you feel stiff. And you say, you're pregnant with true, man. Anyway, she go to a clinic. She gets people for the ultrasound. She buy everything like when I go down after I got a baby, you know. And she knows she's not pregnant, you know. Somebody can always
and then, and then she succeeded in tricking them, no?
Yes, we no make me no finish it. Me no know if it's so long. I'm like, me no listen to your thing. I'm like, it's so long. Me no know if it's so long about me. I finish it. Anyway.
Yeah.
She go clinic one day and them say them ask her age and like she tell them and them say you sure I'm not for it and she say no and she get mad on them and say I hear that. And me have much pitney and me tell them I'm pregnant and I feel all things are moving on belly and I can't tell them that anyway. She go down a hospital one night and she go down a casualty. So when she go casualty now, them ask her like, so what are you here for? I don't remember exactly what she tell them, but anyway, them say if you're pregnant, you don't need to go over casualty, you need to go over maternity. Anyway, she go over maternity. And when she go over maternity now, then they ask her, when she come down here, she tell them, say, she's pregnant. So then say, oh, you can't be pregnant, so you come down after you don't come with nothing. Because if you're pregnant, you're supposed to go with one night or something. No.
Right.
You don't go with nothing. Anyway, she call the guy and tell the guy that she's in a labor and he must bring the things then come. You know, if you're in a labor, don't you supposed to wait on a maternity. She got all the way outside front part. So the guy said, if she's in a labor, oh, she will come out here. She's supposed to be in a celebrate for me. Anyway, the guy hear the thing. Anyway, no. She go in and in case she's going to get she put her in her 90 and she go in to the doctor. And the doctor, they might examine her and they might say, no, man. It's a woman and I'm pregnant. And she get mad down here and say, yes, I'm pregnant. When they can't tell me that I'm pregnant, I'm in a month, she has baby and this and that. And wow, the excitement down and tell me, she be a doctor there on her. And then she said, her go mad house. Because she's a mad woman. She's not pregnant. But because she
so wait, so hold on. How it end up?
You end up, that's the guy. Them end up left still. And him see a papa and phone and have her and say she are wicked and him cry and some of them know good, you know. And I fall something me and say in a real thing, you know. And he alright. After that, she still see something move in her belly. And me not pass she reach. But she didn't know about that.
So we hold on, the youth end up a ball and all them something that you say?
Yeah, of course. Then him and her left. But guess what she do now? She takes her off and she not tell him, you know. So we did.
No, you tell me that already. Yeah, man, you tell me.
So the guy never know and he gets caught up in it and he crying with the kind of sorry female and she go down after with everything like when they go ask baby same way and she ask people she gets to the ultrasound and everything. I couldn't believe it.
All right. Yeah, well, let go you know, but you see, you just highlight another case of a regular can where I run out the common can and thing. I want to see how no burn out man all the while and see how with this and with that when it comes to pitney and thing.
Yeah,
and see how much wickedness woman I do. You see how much wickedness woman I do against man. All right, let's say our word. Blessings here.
All right, yeah.
To the phone lines, we go pregnancy mix up. Or any other sample mix up we have right now. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 Hello. Oh, God.
But they are easy, you know, where they are.
Cool. Long time listener, not a first time caller, but a long time I call you right now.
All right.
I have a mix up to tell you that I mix up, you know, but a serious matter, and I hope that nobody or no other woman in Jamaica is doing this. I have a co-worker, right?
Yeah.
She's pregnant. The baby is almost 7 months to Raga. And Raga, from the girl pregnant, about 3 times she admitted to hospital. The girl not eat Raga. She not eat. She not take her pill them when the doctor gave her. Then when me ask her, like say she named Jody. Me ask her, me say, Jody, why you not eat, why you not take a pill? You know what she Raga?
Why?
You said, tell me the sensible girl, a graduate from teachers college, tell me. She said she don't want a big old kidney. She stretch out good there, so, and our man not going to want her again.
Well, so she pregnant, 7 months pregnant, and she
Almost
cut down
7
on
months.
her
Not even 7 months could have.
So she had try her best to not make the baby get too big. Because if the baby get, she's calculating when the baby is born, it's going to stretch out there so.
Yes.
And then her man now go want her again. So she is basically stupidly threatening the health of the child. Because she had
folic acid, I know folic acid that to make the baby not get no so I have a nice beautiful daughter. She's 1 year old now. When she was born 8 pounds and 1 ounce. And I miss it.
Hello?
Yes, sir. The lady come in and tell me to have like this.
All right. No, well, we're glad you get the mix up done. And what a stupid idiot girl doing.
Mr. Raga, I know only that I'm going to tell you. Please don't know with their work, whether she in her chair with the chair sleep. So with the day laughing and say, watch her sleep. Lo and behold, I see the girl feeling to in the chair.
Feeling to in the chair, when I think I sleep, she asleep.
I go there and touch her, brother. She cool like when body dead and then I'm That's the oil my friend. When you drop the mess oil and call my supervisor and tell her them up to car. Car go for corner region now because I'm a beer with them.
Yo. Your credits are done, but
yes,
respect, thanks to the mix-up. Yo, is that we men can begin to understand why a woman go through this. When a woman start envision what will happen when she push out the child and what kind of physical consequences she will obtain on her body after the baby born and thing. What we do know is that no two women stay the same way. The genetically defined elasticity in their body. Right? The truth is, you have some women have picnic, and after them have them picnic, you have to fight hard for what my back then door. You understand? When you are going in a living room, I don't know what I talk about code. I have some women, for whatever reason, you know, things will be a little bit more spacious for them. But in general, if, stretching can go on or whatever. But in this instance, this woman right now, I idiot think she depend. For she, essentially deprive the picnic of nutrients with the idea that the picnic going to stay small and that if the picnic stays small, when the picnic come out through the channel small, is less likely that the picnic I go stretch with the channel too much. In other words, she have put her nookie. She have give her nookie more importance than the health of the child. Them think they can't work. And again, we men can't really understand what kind of anxiety a woman go through when she think about the consequences of giving birth to a child and what it will mean down there. So, you understand? But please, people, in a situation, you cannot jeopardize the life of your child for that. And that being said, there are all kinds of things you can do now to reinstate the original conditions of down there, so, after you have your child, I know, as far as I know, and sickness. So, all them foolishness, ladies can't really go down them the part there and thing, all right? We want to big up the Southeast Street, Southeast St. Andrew, Torrington Park, people, them Southeast St. Andrew, Torrington Park. We're here, so on a lock in for the show, mad respect indeed. To the phone lines, we go, good afternoon, hello. Hello.
Raga?
Yes, greetings.
You know, from when me there with, well, when me call you have to take so long.
Talk up now. Since you're coming on, now we are time.
Start out, mix up now for you. Yeah, this boy, me meet him somewhere, Spanish Town. Some men him did that talk, and body feel heated, and me I say, you know what? Like when him look and all of that.
Yeah.
Some men him go at this place, I don't know what the place name, but I mean, body in a talk, so head not have nothing to say. And me say, Raga, we go and we start out, and me I tell her, say, round after round after round after round, and the boy drop asleep. And me drop asleep too. But before, when we go in the room, and give me $10,000, Raga, when me wake up, $10,000 gone and man gone.
Well, which room you did in? Who for room you did in?
It's a place in Gorent.
Hotel?
Yes. So me drop asleep now. Him drop asleep before it is. A chicken trip me in a raga. Him drop asleep first and me go follow him and drop asleep. When me get up, boy gone and money gone.
What you say? What you say? Round after round after round.
Round after round, him tired me.
So him go hard. Him get a good work done.
Raga him weak me out.
No, give it how long you go for? Let's give me an idea.
Mr. Raga, we all go at the money machine.
What you mean go the money? Oh, okay, that's how you go. Okay, me understand now. So all of that.
Let him jump me.
Him jump. So him give it to you, man. But hold on, how him come figure $10,000 before you go? You did ask some money?
Then Raga, you know, so I say go exchange. It's no robbery, no.
So, no, but may I ask you, like, what happened? You tell him, say, boy, you know, something have to send on if you're going to do this, right?
But Raga.
But
Raga.
Explain to people. Eh?
What you say?
No, we just want to know how him come for get $10,000 right before him start, yo.
No, right, for my right up me eye, Raga. Him know something like him, he's a youth, I know before, you know. He's a youth, I know before and always admire him. So we just say, all right, then. You understand? Coming up, I am not along with anyone, no.
Right. So you didn't like it, and it's on a money thing you do.
And the money the issue, Raga. And the money the issue, but me never want to get down with him before.
Okay, but you never said no to the money, though?
No, me never said no to the money. I get it. And the other exchange is no robbery.
Exchange is no robbery. So you will get a 10-pack, and you don't like him long time already, so if you ever take a look at what kind of thing, you know.
Him. I know him long time, I never like him, but there and then see him now. His body look good. And my mind I tell me, say, you understand?
Right.
Just sleep and cut.
Okay, so you wake up, you know, see no $10,000, you know, see him. So you know, see him from that time there.
Money.
So you know, see him from that time there?
No, I don't go back over the way there.
Okay. Well, you know, say, I will heap of my in the street woman friend them, know, my go lady them and all them thing that. Them I listen to you right now, and them I say, well, me I tell you straight, them I say, damn idiot.
Well, Raga, everyone plays a fool that time.
Me know, well, at least you learn your lesson, because you know what them say? Them say, never you drop asleep after you start out with a man again. Never you drop asleep. So them say, under no circumstances. Them say, if you want to sleep, leave this and go sleep somewhere. But through the start out attack in your body, because, hey, let me tell you something, man. Nothing sweet like an after sex start out, like an after sex sleep.
Like a drug.
Yeah, man, that's one of the soundest sleep that you get, man. If you get a good work and just slide off in that sleep there, man. And you look like you just walk you out and hackle and walk you. Don't you fling you so and dash you so and get all kind of style, don't you? It's a good work you get, though, don't you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's man. Yeah, man. Mad sitting here get, man.
Mad.
Well, look on the brighter side, you know. Fame sort out value something. So, look on the brighter side. Some people have a cuss you and say, you left with nothing, but you never left with anything.
Yeah, man, you left with a good sort out.
You left with a good... there you go. That is how I want you to look on it. People are going to say, but you hear that about the 10,000. Listen to me. You have a whole heap of women that get $10,000 and them have got through some of the most disgusting experiences you can imagine when it comes to start out. They don't even want to do it. Some of them all have to get drunk before they start out. Some of them boredom. When the boredom take them realize they don't even work the 10-pack with them again. Listen to me. You left with that damn good start out. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Tambourine.
Say hallelujah. Hallelujah. Say hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
That's right. Good start out. Look on it that way. The man instrument value something. That's how you have to look on it.
Exactly.
Anyway, blessings. But nobody jump asleep after the work again here.
No, sir.
All right.
All right, cool.
Okay. Blessing. Me, not even my, all if me, they are the woman here, particularly if me, they are one woman here. Me see some man jump asleep a woman here and whatever, this and that. No. All of the man out there will go a woman here and a jump asleep. Nowadays, you don't know what is what. if it's a little out that thing, bunks or whatever, this or that, rate, do one job asleep and a woman yard. Nowadays, you don't know what a crazy thing reach, man. I don't even know more time when I read something, some man are dead and reading up newspaper on a Friday if you know some idiot move them make. Gone in a Somali area and get some good work and a job asleep. Job asleep where? Get up and cut right away. And if you can do it, don't go for your era. Don't ever go there to go some neutral place. That me say. I'm not sure the world I run right now. Some people cool with something. And woman lie. Woman there with gunman and police and all them things and that's what they sit me and now tell you. And think I when all them roll up and they say, oh that. I'm a man, hide and whatever. No. Go some neutral place where you can jump out in a crowd and all ball out and thing off of the balcony and run going to the lobby and all them places. You see? Here we go. Good afternoon. I have read. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, greeting.
Hello.
Yeah, man.
Raga.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, Papa, talk up no man.
What me I say, boy, is a little thing me I tell you with my little birth in a UK, yeah, you know.
Yeah, what go do?
Quick one me I give you, Raga, because you know what happened. A yard girl done. A yard girl now, my birth in a kind of fridge.
Oh, that go?
One Benue Jamaican girl with a UK, my birth in a fridge up there.
Have you bridging in a fridge? What do you mean by have him in a fridge?
Scandal bag with bow tie and a tie up round it. And put in a freezer, Raga, me I tell you. My friend
hold on, Bossy. German, this. Oh, hold on, Bossy, yeah, listen to me. You're not hear me when me I talk to you, you know. You just go through the thing. What you say them have your brethren tie up in a fridge. She time, but how she time? How she time? Explain that.
Boy, I don't know, Raga, when she come back from Jamaica with a black scandal bag tie up with bow tie and put in a freezer.
Yeah.
Boy, my friend, me I tell you, boy, I don't want my friend not jealous, my friend afraid all woman no, Raga. Man just sit down one place and look through window. I look through window like a puntolon down. God no, I don't know what happened, Raga.
What you say, I look through window like a puntolon?
Yeah.
So yeah, say she go. It's like you say she go Jamaica, got time with something and come up back with the tie in the black scandal bag and put it in the fridge.
Yeah, man, it's scandal bag tie up with bow tie.
With bow tie?
Green bow tie.
But hold on. Bossy, why would somebody tie up something in a scandal bag with bow tie and put it in the fridge? That don't make no sense to me.
I don't know no Raga. I tell you the truth. I just that me I say, cause I'm a breathing and from that happened down. From that happened down, it come like say, the man just afraid a woman, Raga.
So you say he was a gallus, and him did say crazy woman and thing, and from she go Jamaica and come back with a black scandal bag with a bow tie, something and put in her fridge.
Yeah, me say. And the man wing clip, yeah, me tell you, the man done puntolon.
Puntolon. Bossy, what is a puntolon tune?
Rather, like how a man rather man, he's an idiot.
Yeah.
Fool.
Yeah.
Fool. Nah, no sense. Raga, me say the man afraid of woman, Raga. Right? I know a man that wants no girl.
No, hold on. But when me ask you straight up, you feel a tie she time with a good, she come at Jamaica come time with a good obia?
Yeah, me not tell you, man. I'm going to that, Raga, because the two of them will be a good, everything sweet, Raga. And first, you fly out, Raga, and by the time you come back, your man win clip. First so time cool, she come back to Jamaica, and she come back at first, she go back down, and she come back with the black scandal bag.
All right. Two things we want to ask you. First one, you have any idea why not the black scandal bag would tie up with a bow tie and put in the fridge? You have any idea why not the bag?
Well, I mean, no, Raga. I don't know that. I don't know. Me would mind if I get the chance to stay in there.
But how you know about that bag there? You did see the bag?
Yeah, Raga, I'm a virgin, Raga.
What, him tell you say him see the bag or what?
I'm a virgin, Raga. I'm a virgin, I'm a daddy yard 24/7.
Oh, Zin. All right, the next question I ask you. You believe in tying, say a woman can really tie a man them way?
Raga, you know, me I last man, and that's why I tell you, say, I'm the last man to believe, but I the switch where the man make. I conversion with a man make you understand what I say?
Okay, it's just like...
Yeah.
Good.
And I saw him in stay when I tell us about proper girl is flossy. And them man they run video light. You hear me tell you? Alright, I know video light done.
And it just done as soon as she come up back from Jamaica with the scandal back with the boat tie.
You tell us I pay to win them a look.
Him just sit down and I look through window, so.
Right up here, look through glasses down. And my friend still in about that, so I go down. I can't believe that you turn that down. Brother. That part is sticky. You understand me?
No, man. Just, you can't, no, man, you're not giving no specific detail. Just give it like a general thing. Just tell me the area.
Over flatbridge side, going that way there.
A flatbridge side, I go that way there.
Yeah,
Why,
I come from Spanish Town, we are going other way, like you go up on the sea.
Like you go to the sea?
Yeah, when I go over flatbridge, man, and I head that side, I go up in the country further up.
No, but no sea no up that way there. No, but no sea no up that way there.
Rather, for you go over flatbridge up them side.
Oh, so you don't reach Bagwalk yet, though?
Yeah. Look a bit past Bagwalk.
Look a bit
past Bagwalk. Michael, you lick him up on the near there, no.
No, man. We're still good, man. We're still good. So you pass Bagwalk. You pass Bagwalk, but you don't reach Kingston. No say nothing no more. So I don't necessarily go. Yeah, man, cool him, man. So I don't necessarily go deal with that thing there, whatever, and cool him. So then tell me something, you know. Me say you have...
A Derby done.
Eh?
A Derby.
Derby,
England done.
Oh, Derby, England, you're the right, you know. All right, that's right. Then, real quick before you go, them you say you have turned back over for them something there too.
I have to talk that. What check the bridge and see if you can attack that. I have to talk to my friend then.
See what you can do for him. Open this cat, pull the bow tie. Open this scandal bag. Take it out of the fridge. What?
Right, I know me that thing in can't turn back that none of Raga because with the sin one and with the fridge if the right I know boy in cold till it's stiff.
Plug out the
with
fridge.
The amount that sin right no Raga with that the amount of fridge where the amount of coal in the fridge and boy I know what happens.
No. Hear what me I say. You need to talk to somebody and hear the order where you're gonna get right now. Hear the science you're going to get. That science, you hear what that science you're going to name. It's not going to name turn back puntuluntun. You understand?
No, man. We have to get one in kitchen pem.
Get there what? Kitchen pem?
Yes.
Bra. Kitchen pem.
Yes.
All right, Papa. Big up yourself up there in Derby, England. All right.
That's not Raga. We love you. And the whole of England
man.
24/7.
Man, as I respect, man, large up on yourself, indeed. Large up. I'm supposed to come. Hey!
You say stay in the house and listen to Raga.
You see, no say a word, man. I don't know, so I'm supposed to come out there for a little small tour in the summer, here?
Yeah, man, them not here. We not talk about Birmingham and London and Rare. When you talk about Raga, you have to come by the whole of England.
The whole of England,
England. Mix up that Jamaica.
England in there.
England in there, man, may I tell you.
Yo, the whole on the line up on the mix up, because by the hook of the cook Ragashanti, I come to England number one.
And the whole crew big up, yeah?
All right, Papa, enough respect indeed. Yes, man, all of me. Yeah, man, large. Yeah, man, big up Puntulunton to the world. Yo, big up Puntuluntun under the freezer. So the thing said Puntuluntun. Man, yo, England, listen up on the line up on the 7 because I said about thing where we just have, we want to go to England. We want to go to England like, whoa. We want to come out there for like a 1 week, 2 week tour or something like so and just touch the place them. And where we are, I want me to always go to Carnival. And Nottingham the place there, we always go to Carnival. I think I'm Nottingham the place there. All them ends that we want to job. Big up all of my link them over there. And think everything is everything. And big up all of my link them on and behave on yourself. And if I go easy, you know. Yeah, and we use a foundation, but me I hear the things them. Go easy. Behave on yourself and I go too hard. When the can't in the people them country that go hard so. And who me attack to the door, who me attack. You understand? Okay, alright, then now when I come in so early for me, I want to know. Hey Root, don't play with me, man. Don't play with me, have a minute. Don't play with me. Okay, I will have break. We're so far with news time.
A mix up and blend that time.
I want to call and talk up the things them.
Yo, yeah man, welcome back up in the Mixup and Blenda sitting large up and we some Mixup indeed. Here we go, good afternoon. With the pregnancy Mixup or any other sample Mixup, one pregnancy Mixup or any other sample Mixup, yeah? Here we go, good afternoon, hello.
I'm from Toronto.
You see me sit down and I look through glass, I look through dopey glass, dopey spectacles.
Yes!
Yo, it look like it's a good, proper time when we are reaching me, no man.
Boy, me I tell you, the man I look like a son to man.
What?
Oh, Lord.
So, what him say the other thought name? Something, what name? Prem? What?
Well, I don't know, but me I tell you, it's crack up.
Like you would have said, John Prem or something like that.
Raga, listen, me love Kartel bad. Kartel nice.
Kartel Brown.
Me I tell you, man, Kartel Brown, the boy is sweet.
All right,
anyway,
that's sour.
Yeah. I want to mix up about Miss Me Can't Breathe.
All right, well on. Somebody are talking at the background and we don't want to hear the background. Yeah?
All right, cool. Because if I can move outside.
Yeah, move her from it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man, blessings.
Yeah, I want to tell you now about Miss Me Can't Breathe and Miss Me Done.
Miss Me Can't Breathe.
Nice, yeah.
Okay, all
this
right.
Nice man, drag a boss. Married to this big woman, but she can't breathe. Even though him look like him can't breathe nobody.
Right.
Because I'm wild in a Raga, I'm wild. I went there with our mama and daughter, you know.
Okay.
Anyway, it happened that this Miss Me don't know. Heck, where Miss Me can't breathe, man. Supposed to say Miss Me don't Raga. She said by Janko jaw break in a hot tar.
When Janko jaw breaks in a hot tar. Ugly.
Yes. And
what you say? She favor when Janko jaw breaks in a hot tar.
Yes.
All right.
Then she look like all of the tar when Moses are painting people, all of the paint, black paint, they dash up and she, you know. Now, right. Black.
Yeah.
Anyway, so, she took the girl, man, took the man, and talk say, and bet him after marriage to her. Miss Me don't, you know.
Yeah.
That a Miss Me don't do that, you know. But Miss Me can't breathe now, they treat her husband go down because they married to her.
Right.
Anyway, when Miss Me can't breathe, check where the man and tell her friend them say the man after married to she. Rather two tools ready top. All right, Raga, you're not blind.
Well on. Talk it faster, though. Talk it faster.
We don't know what we're going there, so. Because we don't know what a teaching girl, if all my friends close up a line already, you know, Raga, and she not working a post office. All thieves. Man thieves. Anyway, Raga, then we pick up the year, and you don't know what. She talk. The man, but if you see the man, he look like when clothes hang up on here upside down. That's what the man look now. You don't know when she touch the man, but Raga. The man move out 3 weeks. When the man move out, Raga, you hear me don't say? I bet you not to come back. Right, if you ever Sunday and the man move back in the scandal back then.
Sunday and he move back in. So what you think I go on this?
That time Miss Me don't tie the man. Time Miss Me don't tie the man. Because of the one that she done.
Okay. What way is she done? Like, weapon are done? Like, what about her done?
Rather, our purse empty, not knowing that.
What you say? Miss Me done. The reason why Miss Me done is our purse empty, not knowing that. The code you use, though.
Yes. And then
So what you say?
again, Raga.
What what you say? Some girl are hype with them eye purse. Hold on. Some girl are hype with them eye purse and have them clutch purse and everything and nothing in them purse, no.
Nothing is empty. Raga, all you can hear that purse is flop when you open because a pure son of come out there empty, Raga.
Empty. So what you say? Miss Madonna, she hype with her purse and her purse easy for what me do, don't it?
Easy to what, Raga? I just drop you up here. So you know,
what you say as her purse drop you what me do?
As our purse get Raga inside up here.
Yo, all of my real good ass girl, I know say when your purse drop, it's still closed, but want to say real. Some girl are hype, and as you bounce them purse, it fly up now, and the money no in there, nothing no there.
All of them are trying to pull to me, hard to pull.
Yeah, when you say your purse can't open, chop.
Hard to pull, Raga. You have to try to pull that.
Then
some girl are
so you
their purse, and it's easy to open. They have to cut it tight, and you must so much push on your purse and put them, Raga. And then I to drop, it's easy to open.
All right, that's your word here.
That's which, you know, and the poor woman husband has come to see, and she might claim to, you know, from a move back in it. You hear what I say? She said, in Tia, because of lack.
And you say the reason why she, and the reason why she have him like you say is Obi a tie she tie.
Of course, that's the girl tie the man. Because you go and look with the Raga and have good face, him look good and very good. But right now, him done too, because him favor him nail, close him up on your left side, the Raga. Him done, because he watch him down, because he can't get Mr. Captain one for the one there.
All right, that's your word here. That's your word, man. Blessings and respect.
Me. Don't worry yourself, because can't be it with. As me say, we and who come after our people, they don't know say I'm nice and that, and them sell them a fight, and you, because anywhere you go, we stay back on you.
All right, then blessings and respect here. All right, then. Good. Miss me done, man. But she and that deal with some strong over with her. Say her purse down. Al Bundy, I like your picture. Your profile picture is cute. Oh, Al Bundy is a woman, by the way, and then you're not found no more. I like that little thing there, you know, yeah. And you just look to the, well, your left hand thing. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. I like it. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi. Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, me the first to call about Kartel now in London. God knows Kartel are called already and talk their things. Let me tell you this. Push it up on the internet and not Kartel, but let's start the truth. Kartel skin ugly, bad and they're black. Yeah?
Hold on. Where you calling from?
Black London, Raga. Yeah.
No, hold on. Something wrong with you went name the distorted a little bit. All right. So you say you call from London, and you say the picture with Kartel have on the internet is not being picture that.
I'm not him. No, Raga, let's see Kartel skin him up. Come like him in a court. No,
man, hold on. No, hold on. Ruth, what you can do about that connection? Because we don't want to lose this call here, but the connection sound can't really hear what she say. Because they will give a Kartel file, you know. They will give a Kartel file. Whoa, mix up time, you know. All right, always stay, Ruth, always stay. Yeah, hello.
Yes, Raga.
Okay, and people, I just want to remind you, we're talking about Kartel Brown. We're not talking about Vibes Kartel. We're talking about Kartel Brown. So what you say about Kartel Brown, you know, in London? Yeah.
Raga, me say the boy a black boy. Raga, I don't know when that picture them. I love start the truth. Raga, Kartel is a little boy. My teeth is true. What is teeth? I want to him primer England. Yeah.
Hold on. Darling. Just pull the phone a little bit away from your mouth, here. Just a little bit away. Yeah, go on talk now, yeah.
Yeah, say. Follow the rest of the story now.
No, yes, a Kartel.
Raga is a black boy. Yeah?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, him a walk, and some like walk and done people, Raga. Raga says he can't see run. Him have eczema, like him skin ugly and stay bad. God knows, I love the truth. The one always clowning out and salad in a pick on this, so. Like my tell the woman and the boy and the young boy, said the woman and the young boy, not to go for Raga, I'm not going to get that one that's above it. God knows, I can't tell her other worker, I will give him a freeze. Tell him, yeah, me want him here and call him, I get it done him.
Hold on. Kartel a Obia worker, you say? Kartel Brown a Obia worker.
Kartel, yes, Raga, like the boy said when born in England, Raga. I'm making understand, you still me hear it, man. This is not a way, some other way outside the clown, Raga. We don't like them things, Raga, we want him, God no.
Okay, then hold on. The mix-up where him give about the woman now. The mix-up where him give about the woman now. No go so.
I don't know how him draft up that. Lie myself on the woman, Raga.
You know which
one day.
Hold on. You know which woman him attack?
No woman attack to the woman around him what I don't want to see them. And him say I do teeth. Lie myself, Raga. Raga, we don't them shut the London.
Hold on. Root me can't. Okay, alright. You say I lie myself because you hustling at them store there in London, right? You say you hustling at them store there in London, right?
Yeah, Arad.
Yeah, at them store there you hustling. So what you say?
After nobody got Primark in England. And them for the cartel going to prison and catch and go to prison, Raga.
And get catch and go to prison?
Yes, sir. In part the two other part of the prison.
Yeah. Hello?
Raga.
Yeah. So you say the prison part are true one thing. And you say him really black and him skin full of eczema. Is not the picture where we are seeing him? Why the connection over. But basically she call and she give a different story upon Kartel Brown. She said the picture of Kartel Brown have up on the internet is not him that. And she said him black and have eczema. And she said the only part-time story that is true, I was say him thief and go prison. And she said him don't thief at the IrieJam them store there. Because she said she and fear link them or rinse them store there. But that Kartel Brown him thief up one place named Prime Market and thing, and she said Kartel Brown and be over him road and this and that the mix up when give about the woman and the woman running. Anybody in England have any other clarification for give upon a mix up here? Just try calling and give it, you understand? Anybody have any addition or subtraction or multiplication or long division for give upon the mix up here? Over there in Alanda, you call him because Kartel Brown give one side of the story until somebody come turn up and rinse out something else different. Second it with suave, tell fabric soft and beer things. It don't even wash in a washing machine, it unwash and beer sitting. A proper mix up. Anybody can give you any clarification on that. Call in and rinse like wow. Because the agitator still in our washing machine, so clothes have to come out clean. We just have to shake it. So we want to call in and shake it. Give me the 100. Okay. Give me a next caller. Good afternoon. Hello. Greeting. Yes, greeting.
Hello.
Yes.
I have a friend. He meets a girl on the phone.
Yes.
And the girl love her film voice. Wrong number I'm calling, the girl love him off. Anyway, the man girl that talk, I'm sure. Nice uptown girl, live a mobile. He not really have nothing. Girl spend the money to Western Union and all these things.
Right.
Girl tell him she want to start for 1 weekend. She tell him she not have money. He go mobile now. The sleep that the Friday, they start there.
No, talk up look louder.
He go mobile the weekend, go there the Friday. Them see there the Friday, and then the Saturday. Start out about everything. She say, because she's well for a man, because no, she never know him say him not she not a man. She said because she was stick to town man, because country man can't start out. And she love all the boy from the first start out and everything. Anyway, them start out the Saturday night and the two of them chop asleep. You don't know, so the man come in, the man had the grand key for the house though. Man come in and chop up the youth and call police on him, same thief court.
The man where she there would come in and chop up the youth?
Yeah.
Like, proper chop up.
Chop him up, but no bad.
And then call police, say him did a thief.
Tie him up. Them have a farm nearby. Tie him up on the farm, same thief goat. And put goat on him.
And put goat on him?
Yes, brother.
So wait, him come from Kingston, right?
Alright, me get on the phone.
Eh?
I love him my fan thing.
No, hold on. Him come from Kingston, right?
Right.
And him and me on the phone, say, end up, I go country up there, go sort out the girl and all them something, right? But the girl never make him know, say she have a man. And then when him start her out and thing, and the overnight and whatever, and drop asleep and they sleep with her, the man where she there would come home, come see the two of them asleep.
Right.
And just fling up some chop on him. So him never chop up the girl.
No, I'm not the girl. I proper girl might have our money. Look like him now have nothing to us, so the girl take care of everything and things.
So, but him live there with the girl, or the girl alone live there and him just go there? The man will do the chop.
He live with the girl, but him say him go away for the weekend, so she never, you never know, say, she have a man still.
Right.
But she use her head and make him come there the weekend where a man gone.
Right. In other words, she makes sure that she not tell him what she think him no need for know.
Right.
Okay. Then, all right. When him do that now, she do anything to defend the youth?
No, like she afraid of him, so she not say nothing.
She not say nothing. So what come out of it after the chop up? When after police come, what come out of it?
Police come and them put go upon him and tell her kind of lie upon him. And then when we are raising the police, them and thing, and I said, no man, woman must sleep with and thing, and the police, they make him go and trap him at town.
When him did go to the girl, him did reach, him did drive or him take bus or what? Because you say, him take bus. Now, if I were a police officer, and with that, you don't give it, just tell with the parish where him go. Just the parish, don't tell with the town.
Mobile.
All right.
James, whatever.
St. James. If I was a police officer, and me go there, now, and the man tell me, say, yo, me have to chop out the boy car, him come up here, come a thief goat. The question I would ask myself, why would an individual, a man, one man, take bus? Him never drive, because when we say pray that thief, them when them a thief animal, them always have them vehicle. Why would an individual take bus from town by himself, come up there and a thief goat? Where am I going to carry the goat them?
I saw come them never believe them.
You understand? Worse if him chop him up from inside of the place and you see blood stain from in the bedroom.
Right,
if him a thief goat, where am I doing? Where am I doing inside of the house? You understand? And she must be afraid now. She not say nothing for defend him. Hey, boy, you never hear me attack earlier on. Say, yo, me I tell the man, them say, you're not doing the thing. You never hear me I tell him, don't go to the... Yeah, I saw comes your member. Don't go to woman yard. Because you don't know what is what. And even if you go pre and go to Bam and job to no bother with the job asleep thing. And when you start out, you just look round same way. When you send it on, you look same way. You set it up and you look same. And you look funny son, jump out of that. And the people look at what come. And what you hear and all them thing there. You understand? And when you start out, your clothes must be right beside you.
But the way
and I got people here don't have fling clothes all but I left clothes in the living room and gone run away around the back room and all them thing there. I mean,
the girl deal with him, he would believe that she tell lie.
Trust no one.
He may have things to deal with.
Then I that blind him. Then I that me I tell you. That me I tell you. Oh, me not take none. First of all, me not go out. My hard person go out one woman yard. You have some woman, let me tell you something, the thing just free up now here, man. And woman run them thing and I do them thing. Man run them thing too and I do. Because the same thing with woman too, you know. Because you have some man run them thing certain way, you know, and they with some poison woman, you know, some bitter woman, you know. Who when they come up at them, I back out them monkey lotion and I acid up all the girl with them come catching at them room, you know. You understand? We are Kingston. Just
Central Kingston.
The Central Kingston big man, just tell me like what, Dunkirk or what? Oh.
Call it Almantown.
No, that's just Almantown. All right, big up party girl at Almantown. Give her two mothers party, and she said dash out the same thing.
Yeah, that's even two. One like? One.
One party, one.
Yeah.
Why you say not even quarter, though, so just one?
Yeah, Raga.
Anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah, man. Yo, big and serious, me. I'm telling the people, whether you're a woman or you're a man or you go someplace, go do some things. Yeah, my man. Raga talk to you. None with the drop asleep thing. No take them check there. No drop asleep. You understand? And if you just go somewhere like the first time or whatever, don't get too comfortable first, second, third, fourth time. I don't know, must do some simple thing, you know. Once you not go get involved with it, try and know as much as you can. And sometimes the evidence the right round, you know. That's why woman will always beat man with them thing there, you know. Because some man will try to camouflage something. Some woman will just go in a place and just know if a next woman live there, you know. Them start to check the garbage bin. Them start look how his bed spread. Them start look how the things them organize on the dresser. And no, say, no, sir, no man organize things on dresser, so. A woman me learn the thing them from me, I tell you no. Yeah, it's a woman who go in there and say, oh, woman, same not there with nobody. And all them things, whatever. Some man will leave couple of perfume, they might the picture and leave the perfume them. You understand? Woman, quick, as woman go in a man house, them want to use the bathroom. Can them check the bathroom and them check out the bathroom. Them know if a woman in that the bathroom. You understand? Right? And if you pay attention to details, man, because a life and death thing could have reached you no more time and thing. That's and some of the time, some want to just bill and don't run in. Some want to go on like some coach foolish. I want to instrument foolish. You understand? I don't see look at something on the head start taking and be a sitting. Anyway, we have to hold a break right now. Oh, that's how it go. Give me a call. Give me a call. Hello.
Hello. Evening, Raga.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am doing exceedingly well. And you?
I'm fine. This is Sunday, Monday.
You name Sunday, Monday?
Yeah, man. Pavilion Sunday, Monday. My birthday Sunday, your own Monday.
All right. That's a word, man. So what you say, I know?
All right. You know, so there's a flip side to the thing. The girl not really educated and foolish, you know. You know, so most man from woman drop pick me. 6 weeks time, them want to have sex.
No. What you refer to?
The caller that called about the young girl that she don't want to feed her body because she's afraid down south might turn ocean and stuff like that.
Right. So what you say about it, I know what?
Yeah, man, you have men out there. There are quite a few men out there, and I hear a lot of young ladies talk about that. After them have baby 6 weeks time, them want to have sex. 6 weeks time baby and make again. It's a phobia.
Oh, that the man them want to have sex quick?
Yeah. So them kind of worried. And if you really check it, you find that enough man now wait and get a woman 2 or 3 months to have baby. 6 weeks plus and less.
So what you say?
Sometimes we as women we just have to bear and try to teach them and show them certain things and make them know for them body is what is important.
Exactly. At the end of the day, it's a lady's body and I cure that man they touch the come know some woman I go wonder and say, well, if him want it and him not get it from her, him probably go out the road and go get it from somebody. And woman start fret, but that is no reason for going to make the man down you and them with it.
You see, make him go on a road.
Understand. Yeah, not for understand.
But right about now, I want to big up the girl. When wife is fly down, mate, go home.
Well, we will break. We soon forward.
All right.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So where I say big up the girl over now when they say when wife fly down, matey, what?
Yeah, man. When wife fly down, go home. The man write the song wrong.
When wife fly down and matey runway?
Yeah, so, man. Wait till I pack up and go home with tears in the eyes, man.
So when this go down, you know?
Very regular. As often as the wife come, she have to go home.
But you know say that now come in Jamaica, though?
No, but them young girls need to wise up.
Okay, but me know several situations where when the husband fly down, Joe grind have a cut. When wife fly down, mate have a cut. Cause the people they make it clear, you man. A wife that a husband that them they are foreign, you just there as a local entertainment.
Yeah, I may agree to that and I understand the thing, but don't load the thing and ball and war and the wickedest thing and the thing the wife left she wear. So, I mean, what you ball for?
Where you say anything the wife left she wear it to?
Yeah, man.
Then I see how she kill it. Then I see why not.
Tell her that, me I tell the man that's why the man like the song song. Them not to say wife to walk out and make the stand up. Them to say wife to slide down and make the old woman. And she do wear all broke. Me do wear all broke.
All right, that's enough. We have a bunk some other mix up here. Blessings and respect indeed. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello, hi Raga.
Yeah.
First time call, a long time listener.
Yeah,
Hello.
talk up here now.
I'm calling about, I'm second in the argument. The person calling about them beat the girl. So, they talk about argument.
Beat who?
No, man, one girl is calling before and says, China from them beat the girl. What's her birthday to that breed and she never. Is that me or the girl?
I said she and her family beat the girl. We said she did that breed and she never did that breed. Are you and the
Yes,
girl where them said them
yes.
we get beaten?
And no, yes, Raga, but they never beat me.
What then do?
The whole thing is that me and I never even did fight. Me and one of the friends fight. And she licked me with the umbrella in my back. They never beat me. And all my fight and I go on. Me and brother the same way. Because I'm me and him sleep New Year's Eve night and them can't stop it. Yes, Raga.
Where you say all them did a warrior, you and them brother the same way?
Same way, and I'm me and him sleep New Year's Eve night. Yes. Yes.
What you say? New Year's Eve catch him in your living room. And in your living room him did a New Year's Eve, don't it?
My bed,
Him.
No, what? Our nickname is Ostrich.
What you say, what, ostrich?
Ostrich, look like an ostrich.
Yo, careful, somebody behind your attack here. We're not really too comfortable.
Yeah.
Somebody
Yeah.
then here. But it's so like when... it's so like when you attack, you do like the average Jamaican ghetto girl. You lick yourself when you attack, no?
Yes, man, I'm ignorant, I'm heated, I'm too enough. She need a
Talk
life.
up, baby, talk up.
She need a life. She wants some clothes now. She wants a life now. I don't remember she, you know. But many better still say, I will not live. 5 years now, I will not live. All them go on.
So you say,
will not
all the sisters them are going. All the sisters them are going and a warrior. You not left them, brother. Every new year, him a go catch him in your don't.
I'm just saying, it's not free. That me say. He has to come back to me all the way. Anywhere I'm going, watch the end of Nicola. Anywhere I'm going, he come back and get a put more same way. Because me, it's not freezer. Them can't stop it.
What you say? Are you set good like the ice in a freezer, no?
Yes, Raga. Yes. Yes.
And you have the must come back, don't it?
Yes.
You have the must come back. You can't forget your address, no?
Yes. They should have seen us New Year's Eve night. They should have seen us together. Yes.
New Year's Eve night.
Yes.
When New Year's catch him. And him just up in your living room. Hold on. Him did just up. Hold on, man. You know, listen, man. Him did just up in your living room and jump up and down in your sofa, no?
I'm Mr. Teller. I'm Mr. Guan, so. And that's the thing that I'm ears them, so. Yes, I will not left. No matter what, I will not left. I will never left. Yes.
Hold on. When I shell down the things, him just attack the things in your ears.
Yes. The mom will not left. Yes.
Yeah, when you dash it all upon him, just say, I'm not left you. I'm not left you, don't.
Yeah, but mom not left your mom. I'm not left you. 5 years going on strong. And nobody can stop it. Because you, my son, and you, my love.
All right, that's our word here.
Yeah.
Blessings and respect. Yeah, she said the sister them a kick up on a galang and a flip and a flap and thing, and she said she the man love. And New Year's Eve, him they just day up in her living room and jump up in her sofa and talk up the things them in her ears. And the sister them have to go cool and lower because she have them bread a lock. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. Yeah, talk up.
Hello?
Yes, hello, talk up, man, talk up.
Raga.
Yeah.
Every day listener, not a first time caller. We don't really have no even mix up figure. But I have a call upon that one and the girl just called about the 10 grand.
Yeah.
Ignorance here.
Me ignorance here. Or she will go at the place and bet the man get the money and then take it from her. She don't know tell her the man pocket. She put out the money when she do the thing.
She say what? If I wear what?
You don't know, so when you go at them place, you don't sleep, and when you collect the money, you're supposed to put it in a theme packet. You now go searching pocket feet. The ignorance here. She hurt me.
What you mean put it in a theme packet?
Look, then if she put it in a theme packet, you now go searching pocket to take it back. You now searching pocket for the money when just get.
No. But what me I say is, if him get up and I leave and she asleep.
No, but you got them place to start out, you don't go to sleep. You do your thing and cut, because you go to give my thing and cut.
All right, well, it's that you must say, but don't say she will put it in a theme packet because the partner.
But you're not supposed to even drop off sleep, Raga. Me ignorance here, she hurt my
well,
body.
That means say, she should not drop
Hurt
off sleep.
my body. Only, as a matter of fact, you're supposed to even collect it before you even go there. You're supposed to even get the thing before you go there. Because you don't start to go there for collect, you over start out and collect and cut. Oh, she don't want to drop off sleep and make him drop off sleep all a job to do and she a job to do and make him wake up.
No. But remember though, you know, she says a man where she know a long time, you know. So we have to give her some latitude there. So it's like a link where she know a long time. And I don't know, just come link, you understand? And you know,
Raga, man, me ignorance here. And guess what? Me used to call her, just call 2 hours ago, but entire wife fly down, mate, whatever. Nothing wrong with that entire wife come look and mate have a step aside. Because wife, they're friends for 1 year, and me and mate there. So if the entire wife come, me even back to you 1 month, even myself you 1 month, and just stay aside and say, watch your face, kind of wife again, and me again. So big up to you all I mate them, and big up to the wife them when time come my yard, same way.
So well I know. You are one of them who say, born with respect, and you are one of them who observe the matey rules, right?
Me give my one with respect, man. Respect.
Well, no, but that is what I say to people all the time, you know. I say, if you know say you're matey, right, and you accept your matey status, don't violate the wife. If the wife come, make the wife run the thing. You understand?
Exactly. I don't even call the phone. Me wait till when time call the phone. I say, all right? Yeah, all right.
So you say for the wife
that 1 year no for 1 month.
So what you say? When all the wife that you don't even call him phone, you wait for
I
him
don't even call him phone. I don't even like I remember him.
Okay.
I don't even call him, make him know to me even think about him. When that wife come, the wife here time wife come down from England. And 1 month she spend her 3 weeks and she gone again. When she gone and me and him that again. So some girls to know themselves, some mates to know themselves. Me and matey and I tell you, some mates to know themselves.
So you like being a matey? Hold on. You prefer being a matey?
Me alright being a matey. Being to a girl with my dear father. So me alright being a matey right now. Cut and go. Leave nothing when you're going. Cut with everything you come with.
Okay.
Don't come take up no space and no residence.
Eh? You come here for drink milk, you know, come here for turn cow, don't it?
No.
All right, then, large up.
To the matey think, I guess what, matey sometimes live good life. So me alright to the people and things. Me alright to be comfortable, alright.
All right.
I don't think worry about the rest of people them who are call and what talk and want to sing. Because my name can't change.
All right, baby, don't worry yourself. I'm going to deal with something very important now. We have blessings and respect. All right. People, we've been a line up something, you know, and if it never did, could have worked, it just couldn't work and we just allow it. But right now, we have the woman who called about Kartel Brown. We have her on the line. And we also have Kartel Brown online. So make we bring in the two of them now. Good afternoon.
Raga,
Well on the Kartel Brown. Don't say nothing until Raga tell you if say. Yes, Carla. What you did I say about Kartel Brown now?
Raga, me say Kartel back him have eczema on him skin. I that me say. And that girl before will up my time. I don't like them things that Raga she chat too much. Yeah. What you say now?
All right, stop
Kartel
right there.
What talk, Raga? Kartel can't knock my body.
Stop. No, I run the show. Stop. Kartel, we here say the picture where you have of the brown youth. It's not you. She say you're black and your skin covered with eczema. What say you?
Raga, me say, oh no go look for me video. Me don't know what take this Down syndrome girl, this man vulture. This victim of man, me don't know what do her. Me don't know what do this Down syndrome, dyslexic, don't pay back, girl. Go look for me picture, go see me video. I jealous, and I go to but we step on bad man because me a hurry. Me then I want cat, now I beat people, drive a go around London. Dirty old man, come chat to me.
Well, on, Miss Lady, Kartel Brown put a video. Well, on, listen up. Kartel Brown put a video upon him wall, and the video is him attack. It sound like him, and it sound like the same person when we are here. So, how you say in black and
me don't know what Kartel get that video there, but I told me I tell you, nasty Kartel, you can't mud me, my mud you done you. You only bad past phone Kartel, come along that in London, you're free, you can't chat to me, and you know what talk. Nasty Kartel, we are trying to like Black Queen. We're done you.
Kartel Brown.
Yeah.
How are you and the girl that out? She say, Kartel, hold on, Kartel.
Yeah.
She say you know who?
Yeah.
She say you know who? How are you and her?
Listen, Raga, me no work over here, and me no deal with wicked people, so me could I never know this a wicked woman here. Me know that woman there, and her mouth sounds so nasty. Me could I never talk to somebody like that. I sure you make me have to call and I listen to that nasty, vile, corrupt, full of deceit mouth. That's why the man will start beat her. I must have the woman's friend who I'm a call about who gonna meet the man at the airport. Make sure go away.
All right, stop now. Babe, he might say you are the friend of the woman who bring up the 50-year-old woman who bring up the 23-year-old to London, and her friend broke her foot and take with the man. He must say you are fear friend, that's true?
You know, rather than I no friend. See, I put me about the story here.
Well on, darling. We want to hear what you are saying. It's your him take time and talk and we hear. We want to make sure that we hear what you say, so don't shout in at the phone. Hear what you say now?
All right, yeah. All right, then.
Yeah.
I'm not friend, rather. But yesterday, if it's talk of Kartel, I call and I'm more the people them. Come with the flex of the car to say clip to them. God knows.
But you are the woman a friend?
No, I don't know the woman. The woman is no friend.
All right, then. So when you say you get upset, say Kartel are done the people, them like you and Kartel have anything.
Yeah, I don't like
Kartel,
them
bro.
things there, Raga. Kartel not supposed to do them things there. God knows.
Okay. Kartel Brown, what you answer to that now?
Raga, hear what me I say? She's a Liar, liar. That me I say, me still a hurry. She think she a go slow me down, Raga. Me still a hurry and she a worry more. She a worry. Me a upset her.
Okay, but you say she have your file and thing and she say your black and cover with exit. Yeah.
All she have me file, she had done but she can't read and she can't write. So I wish she have the file, she can't do nothing with it. Because she don't know nothing about me. My video that on Facebook and me going to next video coming in. I want cap now. I want police car there behind me. Jesus Christ, look how she said the police for me in England. Raga, me I go upload the next video because me there out and about in London City. Me I drive go through North London right now. Finsbury Park. Anybody know about London? Know about Finsbury Park, North London, Tottenham, N17. Now what it is?
All right, well, I don't know. Yes, Miss Lady.
Kartel, Raga, tell Kartel to put up the lights on the internet. Yeah? Tell him to put up more fake pictures on it.
No, but well, I know. It's not a picture. Him have picture, but him put up a video. And we can see the video and hear him attack and the video. And him sound the same way the people on the wall say. Hello? Ruth, where are you going there, sir?
Raga.
Hello? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Raga, when you entertain this woman, this piece of species, this creature and vulture, you entertain the argument and you know a picture talk.
No, I saw it set in the mix-up thing, so that we deal with. So we have to kind of suss out the thing and get different side of the thing. And she call in and I done you.
Listen listen to me. She one of them women who are inbox me and I beg you to breed her, but me tell you already, I'm not breed no broke down bends.
You not breed no broke, chat inbox you and I beg you for breed her, but you not breed no broke down bends.
And that me I say me too cute. She want to push broke down bends bar.
Well, when you say you're too cute for a push broke down bench by road, so you know nothing with her. Roti, what go on this? What go on this, Roti? Hello? What you say? What you say? Yeah.
When I got Finsbury Park and him say a beer shop that a big shop in Kingston. Finsbury Park a beer thrift shop there. When that one, the real, Kartel really that one.
No, well I know. Him never say him gone this a gone thief, no, you know. Him say him just a drive through North London. Him never say him a go do anything up there, so. Which place?
I like Kartel.
Well,
we don't want Kartel tell you the truth. Him can't tell you after when we really be. Because tell them lie them now. I don't really like them type of things. I'm more them feet. Kartel a overworker.
Oh, you know him a overworker. Which part him work over?
No, that Kartel name of Kingston and it's London deliver.
What that? What you say?
All these and the people them and all these fix them things. So when Kartel call, if you call about something yesterday, I'm going to show him up, but you call about people be this program. You know, like that. Definitely not to call it to the guy. No.
All right, then. No say a word here.
Yes, sir.
All right, then. Hey, but we just want you to just go and enjoy the London day, you know, and I'm more love and prosperity. We say, Zin. Hello? Okay. Well, look like we lose the call. We probably kind of run out and look at that. Wait. Roots, so we have more call and thing and whatever. But anyway, you don't need to see come and give a different side of the story and thing. But, in order for, Kartel Brown actually put up a video and we see him and him attack and the people and make me know, say, I just see with the clip for the video. I don't actually watch the video because obviously I do the show. But the people them say him sound the same way. And, in mannerism is the same thing. That is what people are telling me because me no really see the video and thing. And people are sending crazy things right now and thing. London not good again. The Mixup shut out of London. Oh, the thing got so global mad. And sitting and rate. But people are debating the matter right, But Kartel full attack. Kartel Brown again full attack. You know him say? She must inbox him and beg her for breed him and thing and him not breed broke down bends and thing. Here we go. Ruth, where you say one more caller? Good afternoon, hello.
Hello?
Yes,
Raga.
Ruthie. Wow.
Yeah, well, I mean, I tell you, say, a long time I listen to the show, Raga. I mean, I tell you, say, I want to call you a long time, but I say, I don't want to call you until I have a mix-up a shot. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want me to call from still in my workplace. But me don't want to call you, I call you from a long time when the mix-up a shot, Raga.
Send it down the quick time,
Three Christian, 3 girl and a youth, them a Christian, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raga, me I tell you, say, you want now. I call them the nickname because I listen to you a long time, so I can't. You have Sunshine and you have Fluffy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to say like a Fluffy first and Sunshine come interview night, you see me? But it's like the man get a knock off of Sunshine, you see me? So it's like after him knock Fluffy first and him get a knock off a Sunshine then. You see me? Sunshine is like Fluffy, hold him back, you see me, dog, and be a text and thing, Raga. I tell you, I want piece of it in the store, Raga. I want piece of it in the store, my boss. I call you a long time to make you know, but I can't give you the name, but you have to take me off of here to make you know where, you see me?
No, why would I want the name? I don't understand.
No, the name I wait up, but I say you'll have to take me off of the year.
Oh, the name I wait. Oh, yeah, no, definitely. No, we're going to take, okay, we take that information. I tell you what, we're going to take it right now, here?
Yeah.
Right now.
Come here, I don't know the thing, says the credit thing, no, enough, you see?
All right, just give me the name and we're good with it, man, and thing. 3 Christian and a brother and thing, man. All right, then, bless you. Yo, here was Sylvia House and V said, Raga, no waste time for the call of them on Kartel Brown. Because Kartel Brown post live, big up video to your Mixup page and it up to the time. Check it and done with that part there. You see it? So, I just go and sense with the people I say, regarding the Kartel video. Me I do the show so me can't really see it. So, I don't know the thing set right there. So, and thing. Alright? But it's a proper Mixup that come out of London, England. That's how the thing said. People will have it right there. So my girl, Chris Crowd play 2 tunes right now to take me out on Thursday and thing. The show go on to the night. Like, and I don't know if tomorrow's a Mixup party Friday. We're going to kick it off and shell down the place. See me. Big up all our London linky them. Big up all our England linky. When we say Derby, Birmingham, you see it, London. And all about the place, Notting Hill and thing large upon itself. We all have people up in Scotland and listen to the show and sitting. We have people in Costa Rica, in South America listen to the show. And of course, we have our listeners down there in South Africa, Botswana and South Africa. Big up our listeners in Ghana, in West Africa. And thing, all our international listeners, of course, we're not only for Canada people out. And all over the United States, particularly the Eastern Seaboard, we have this a lack and big up for LA linky them. And of course, last but not least, because I definitely big up the foundation, the core of the thing, big up all our Jamaican people who build the thing and set the thing so that the foreigner them can enjoy the thing and thing. Big up all of my yarders them, big up mixup.com, my yarders them, and big up all of my yarders them, and Jamaican people. Take care of yourself, people. We'll kick it off 1 o'clock tomorrow again. And we say Mixup and Blender with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, the principal, Mr. Waspel. Big up my mama dead and gone, but we'll not stop larger up. Larger for yourself, people. 1 o'clock tomorrow again. Out the road!
A Mixup and Blender time!
I'm going to call and talk of the things.